There you go. Good morning, everybody on YouTube, TikTok, X, Twitch, Facebook Live. We think we're going to Facebook Live, but I don't think it's actually live. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Whew, you all tired like me? Slept pretty good. Kind of, just not enough, I guess. Today is the 14th, the 6-year unofficial anniversary of Bree and I. Okay. All right. I think we're live. Maybe not. All right. How do I know? Let's see. Testing. Yeah, I think we're good. I think we're live on YouTube. The 1 second buys have come through. Let's go find some more money real quick. Good morning, Orlando Walters. God bless. Good morning, Mr. C. On TikTok. Oh. Yes, you read the title right. It is a 1 second buy. Or is. Well, I'd have to look at it further. All right. Let's go find some gold money real quick. Buy stop 15-second gold, but hold on. Let's see where we're at. Yeah, buy stop 15-second gold. It's going to go to the 10-second blue line. You'll see price action. You see this pink cross. You're going to see this red right here turn to green. You'll see price action go up and touch this 10-second blue line right here. You'll see price action go up. You're going to see this blue rise. And then, let me see the 15-second. Yeah, I'd play any 1 second, 5 second, 10-second buy stop to 15-second blue line of gold. Heck yeah. You're going to see this 1 second hook down. And you're going to see this go smaller. Then you're going to see it. Yeah, there you go. Then it's going to flip, come back up. You're going to see this fill in the gap happen. There you go. You're going to see pink cross blue. And then you're going to see this come up. Price come up. This is going to turn from red to green. Watch. See, as it comes up, then this comes up. Let me see if we can go over here. Going to form it again. It's going to do the exact same thing again. Pink's going to cross blue. Buy, stop off this yellow and green line. Wait for it if it comes back up. Yeah. There you go. And there's the cross. And there it is coming up again. And then watch how it looks here on the 5 second. Same thing. It's going to cross the pink, cross the blue. You're going to see price go up again. And then we're going to be heading towards, like I mentioned, the 10-second blue line. And then you're going to see it go to the 15-second blue line. Nightfall. Yeah. And then it's a 3-minute sell stop. That's what's forming. So there's your 5-second hit. There's your 10-second kind of hit, close enough. I think it'll finish it off. And that's gold. So we successfully called out US30 and SPX, and now we just called out gold. I love how these fast ones work. It's so easy. Demo trade only, not a financial advisor.
I am not a financial advisor, demo trade only.
Good morning, Jen Holmes. Good morning, Jen. Good morning, LD. Good morning, everybody on TikTok. Good morning, everybody on YouTube. We've already made some. You're going to finish out with this gold one here in just a minute. Made some good calls. Let's see. Oh, we got people here. Good morning, Tony Plesh. Good morning, Jacob. Good morning, Cindy. Good morning, Larry Cooper. Good morning, John Parker. Good morning, Rack Ellis. Good morning, y'all on TikTok, YouTube, X, and Twitter. Let's go back to US30. Yeah. So US30 buy stop to the 1 second blue line has paid off greatly. It's what I called it and sent out the message to you guys. You had plenty of time actually on a 1 second. Buy, boom, to the 1 second. And then it went up and hit its 5 second. And let me see if SPX did the same thing. I'm sure it did. Yep. So SPX was called out back here. Jeez. Was it that long ago? Oh, hold on. I might not have the right one open. Hold on. There it is. SPX was called out here when those emails went out to you all. Boom, 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 buy. Went to its 1 second blue line. And it went to its 5 second blue line. And there's SPX. So SPX is in the money. US30 is in demo money. That US30 is way more than you guys think. When you see like a little call like this, you think, oh, it's a 1 second buy, stop to the blue line. No. That's 15 pips on US30 this morning. Yeah, that's what that is. In the nightfall. All right. Good morning, Jay Dada. And Q done. No, definitely not done. What's up, Harry? PPI and Yo, thanks for saying that too. Yeah, I remember that. Is PPI this morning, right? At 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Huawei. All right. I really don't want to play that this morning. I hope it's not 8:30 this morning. Just not in the mood. Maybe I'll be in the mood by then. We got a lot to cover. All right, let me go over to GBPJPY real quick. I do want to see if we can grab some free money here. Yeah, 1 second buy. Play any 1 second buy towards the 5 second blue line on GBPJPY. And the nightfall, 15-minute. Love the 15-minute buy stop, GBPJPY. 1 hour sell. Come on, really? Let me get 3 hour, 4 hour buy, 7 hour buy, 12 hour buy, 7 hour buy stop, GBPJPY. Love the 7 hour buy stop. Remember I told y'all to get in this yesterday. 197.534, 197.692, 198.
I am not a financial advisor, demo trade only.
Love the trade, 7 hour buy. Remember our almost holy grail trade right here. Called this out for us. GBPJPY back a while now, but it's still a valid trade, hasn't finished. So it called out a buy. You look at the daily, GBPJPY, 100%. I love this trade. I'm in this trade. Hold on. Yeah, I'm still in 2 of them. And the Nightfall, GBPJPY buy stops. 2 of them, my NAS and a buy right here. These are all from yesterday. So I would continually look for buy stops to enter in. The 7-hour is just this daily, 7-hour daily is just gorgeous. Yeah. Weekly, 3 weekly, monthly, yes. Yes, yes, and more yes. GBPJPY, almost holy grail trade. If you guys don't know what that is, it's a spectacular trade. Matter of factly, where's my results? Let's see, almost holy grail. Oh, nope, that's not almost holy grail. Here's the almost holy grail trade for you. Oh, year to date, it's called out gold, US30 twice, and Bitcoin. $152 an ounce on gold you would have made, US30 2,600 pips, US30 2,000 pips, Bitcoin $21,800. GBPJPY is current. There is no call out on that. The total of the US30s equals 4,600 pips. If you would put a 0.01 on that, that'd be $4,600. Bitcoin and gold, it would have been roughly $23,000. So if you had the almost holy grail trade, which comes free with tier 1, tier 2, or tier 3 signal service, you get this as a bonus extra. You'd have made $4,600 just at a 0.01. And that's just since July, just so we're clear. Oh, while we're at it, this is the tier 3 signals. These are a little trickier. Let me be clear. When you're looking at the almost holy grail trade, these are demo market order entries. It says demo only right here. But when your signal goes out, you take it. So if gold is called out October 5th, you take it. US30 October 7th, take the trade as soon as it's called. It's called hit the damn button when the signal goes out. That's what it's called. Bitcoin, hit the damn button. If in this case, these are buys. Hit the damn buys, buy. Now, if you're looking at the tier 3 results, which are outstandingly, stunningly amazing, this is the first update we did. I mean, you're talking about thousands and thousands of pips. 0.01 would equal 13,500 pips just on indices. I'm not counting anything to do with any of the stocks, Amazon, Ethereum. None of that counts. Gold. I'm just talking about the indices themselves. It's insanity. We'll come back to those later. All right, so that's GBPJPY. When the buy stopped to the 5-second blue line, as I called out, you're in the money on the 1-second buy. Play any 1 second, 5-second buy. What you're going to see is this pink cross the purple, come up towards the blue. This gap will fill in. You see price come up accordingly. I don't think it'll hit it on this movement. It'll get closer. Then it's going to repeat itself again and do it again. See it go up. See the pink cross the blue. See this fill in the gap right here. The yellows. Yep. See it? And then see price going up. I know some of you don't think that's a big movement, but it's good. This exact same what I'm teaching you here. One of the guys wrote in actually and said he loves trading the 5 seconds and 10 seconds better than he does the hourly, daily, and the daily, weekly, because he can see it over and over and over again what's happening. I thought, well, that's pretty cool. See it go up. Told you. So before price action went up on GBPJPY, I told you what was going to happen, pointed to what was going to happen, told you we're going to go. Now, again, you're dealing with 5-second buy stops, but nonetheless, this exact same 5-second fill in the gap buy stop works exactly the same way on a 4-hour, and you make a lot more money. The daily, and you make a lot more money. Look at it. Told you. Now it's going to hook, come back down. You're going to see the pink, hopefully by itself, come down. And then when it does, then we'll get another buy opportunity. But see right now, you see that before it moved up from here to here, I told you, drew it out, didn't draw it out, told you it was going to happen before it happened. Look at that shit. Who's up 4 or 5 pips just like that? Hell yeah. Look at it go. See, told you. Here comes pink coming back down again. It looks like the purple is going to follow with it. Do the exact same thing it did here. Then whenever it's coming down, it's going to hook just like it did here, just like I called out live. You're going to see this fill. There's going to be a gap. See that little gap right here? It's going to gap a little more. Once this gaps a little more, you're going to see this purple be cross the pink like it did here. Just exact same thing, exactly as this did. You'll see this. Yep, and then up she goes. So this 1 second buy stop to the 5 second blue line is now probably up 7-8 pips. Look, just told you, just filled it in, pop, coming over. I mean, what more proof do you need it working than watching me call it out live before it happens? See, it's so easy to look at it, and there it is coming back up again. There's price coming up again. There, will it touch this time? It's going to get real close. I call this H&H close enough, horseshoes and hanger days. This is very, very close to me. I think we're good. It's going to do it again. It's going to go up and touch it, but do I care? No, I mean, no, nothing. See, same thing here. Blue's going to come down. Price is going to hold. You're going to see this cross. You're going to see the, look, it's going to turn to red. Maybe. If not, it's going to fill the gap in. You'll see the blue come up. Price will come up with it. It'll fill that gap in. This is 1 second. 1 second. And then you'll see this do the same thing. It's going to hook, come down again. Oh, we got the purple with it again. It's going to hook, come down again. You'll see this pink hook back around. You'll see this gap for the third time live. You'll see price action go back up, and then you'll see it go up and probably this time get extremely close to touching. Once you see this pink line rise, watch it, hit the bottom. Now you do your buy stop in. Watch this too. You'll see this. And you'll see the gap close. So we called out US30, SPX, gold, and GBPJPY. And we're literally watching GBPJPY do its thing. Literally. Yeah. Lots of fun. Lots of fun. All right. I think we're done with that. That's fun. Where are we at? Yes. Good morning, George. PPI and you're going to make me play that, John. Damn, gone it. I don't want to play it. Orlando Walters, Kev, the H&H, the greatest ever. Blessed morning to you, Orlando. And yes, it is. Now watch as this comes forward, this comes up, as this fills in the gap, as this goes up, and you see it approach the 5 second blue line, as I told you. Again, I told you take 2 or 3 times. It might take 4. We called this one here, 2, 3. We'll see. There you go. It's the greatest thing ever. Good morning, Annie. Good morning, Casey. Good morning, Lachey. Good morning, Guy Burger. Kev, the H&H is the greatest thing ever. I've had that said about the H&H. I've had that said about the sniper. I've had that said about the... Look, there it is. Told you. There you go. All right. There you go. Is that close enough? Let's take a look. Oh, to touch it? Damn, that's like a kiss. It's like, I call it that the wet kiss. You stick out your tongue. And then did it touch? No, but it's going to do it again, and then it's going to go up and touch this time. But that's close enough. My goodness. If little French kiss right there, that tongue would have licked that blue thing right there, you'd have been fine. There you go. There's the touchdown. As called out live by me, play by play. We called it from here up. Let's go ahead and take that from here. You'd have made, a little bit right there. Just a gorgeous trade. This is GBPJPY. This is perfection. Learn how I did this. This is our logo. Came over, came up. This is the buy stop. The first one you should have entered. We didn't see it. This is the one we did enter. Fill in the gap. Boom. Fill in the gap. Boom. Every time it forms our logo, it does it again and again and again. Good morning, Lachey and Guy Berger. Good morning, everybody on TikTok and YouTube. Good morning, Reese, Coco, MS Vision, Pohey, Robert. Nice. That was, it's going to do it again, fill in the gap. You're going to see it come back up. You're going to see this gap fill in. You're going to see it go up. Ricochet. There it goes again. Ricochet. And if we do it to the 10-second, let's see. Yeah. It's going to go to the 10-second blue line the same way. Play any 1 second, 5 second, 10-second buy stop to the blue line. GBPJPY. I told you all to take the buys on GBPJPY yesterday. Take any buy stop you can on GBPJPY until the daily pink comes up to the blue. This fills in the gap. It's going to do that. This is exactly what it did on the 1 second, 5 second, right? Actually, it's going to do it. It's going to do it right now. The very first time this comes up, then it comes over, then, well, this is going to be the blue. We can't, it's too hyper on the 1 second. Right here it was on the 5 second. Look. So price action came up, the blue came up, the pink came down for the first time and it went up. Let's go down to the, back up to the daily. Now watch. Blue came up for the first time, pink came down for the first time. This is going to be a daily, and this is going to be a hell of a lot of pips. Daily buy stops until this pink comes up to the blue, any time period. If you go back to the 5 seconds, you can clearly see what happened here. Blue came up, pink came down for the first time. Ding, 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 ding. We have a winner. Let me see if I have my first time on here. Blue, pink. Yep, let's see. Uh-huh. Uh-huh. No, it's saying it's here. That's technically the second time. Oh, it called out this as a buy stop, right? But if you come over here to the daily, it just moves so much slower here. That's all. And the die calls, it should call it right here. Blue line high, pink line low. Hold on. No. See, we're still tweaking this one. No, the first time it should be called as right here. Let me make a note on that. Where are we at? GBPJPY daily. What time is it? On a call. First time signal error. Hold on 1 second. I got to get this all situated. All right. All right. Looks like there's an error. 2 of them actually on the daily. This one shouldn't be called right now. I don't know why it is. And then it's totally, completely missing the buy stop, which the pink line's low, blue line's high. We're in total green with the fill in the gap. This should be a buy called right here on the first time. We're looking at Forex time, GBPJPY today. So this is November the 14th. Not sure why it's not showing it, but thank you for correcting it, Keith. Talk in a minute. All right, use this video. Done. Send. There we go. All right. This is how you do it. And then you just check this shit nonstop for weeks and months at end, depending on which one it is. And then we have to see it called this one correctly. It didn't call that one correctly. Great. Called this one correctly. Yeah, it did. Was the turn up? Yeah. No, this is a fully correct trade. Nothing you could do about it. It's missing this current one, though, and it's so weird to me. Unless they change it where it has to hook to go up. See, that might be it. That's why I might be wrong. But at any rate, that was fun. Do you guys like seeing that? I love seeing when you see the actual, when I call it and you can see what I'm calling. I think it's just a blast. I don't see how anyone can possibly doubt or hate Buy stop again forming. Told you, play any 1 second, 5 second buy stops to the 10-second blue line. Do I think it's going to hit it? I think it's going to hit it or come super duper close. Wait for these two to drop down against the blue. You're going to see another buy. This is the first time it would have called it officially with the system. Again, this isn't the first time though. No. See, no, there's something wrong. The first time this is hooked is right here. This green arrow should be right there. Yeah, no, there is something wrong. Hold on, let me do it again. When the night falls in the first time. Da 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 da. When the night, see, another little iffy situation, Keith Rooney. All right, another little situation, Keith Rooney. Why on the 10-second, the very first time blue came up, oh shit. I bet you it's the first time it was solid. Damn, we're going to have a different set of rules. In the money on the buy again on GBPJPY. We're going to need to have a different rules under the micro, the 3-minute and unders. They're going to have their own set of rules on that. I'm going to have them change the code for like 10 seconds, 5 seconds, 30 seconds. By the way, in the money on the buy stop for GBPJPY going to its 10-second blue line as called out. Told you exactly, pink and purple down, rising up. It calls it before it happens in case you're wondering what you're seeing. I did it for the 5-second all the way up to the 5-second after another, and then here's another 5-second buy. And now you're playing a 1 second, 5-second buy to the blue line. Buy, stop again. We need this to come back down. You're going to see this pink line hook come back down while the blue line stays high. Then we're going to call it another buy. It's going to go up to the 10-second blue line this time. Watch, see it go down? See it? And this right here is what's happening with gold, just on a bigger scale. I'm waiting for gold to come back down on its weekly. So let's go over here. And yeah, it's getting better, but it's still, that's why the drop's happening. See, it was up here on the weekly and it's coming down on the pink. If you go over to GBPJPY and you go over to 10-second, look, see it? See how we're waiting? So we're waiting for it to come down on the pink. See it? This is the exact same thing that's happening on your daily, just fractals. Once this comes down, oh, now we have the blue. This is buy stop, by the way. Buy stop off the red or yellow line. But now with the blue, depending how far this comes down, we're going to have to go back down. See, watch. Now we're going to have to go here. Buy stop 10-second, 15-second buy, 10-second buy to the 10-second blue line. Yep, that's all you're seeing. This is a 1 second sell to the blue line on GBPJPY. It's forming our higher time frames. 5 second, 10 second. 10-second buy stop to the blue line. That's why it wasn't red yet, but I saw the blue dip. Now this is going to come down. It's going to do what it did right here. It's going to hook. You're going to see the blue line come down. You're going to see the pink come across it. You're going to see this turn from red over to green. You're going to see price action rise up. So for those of you who can't listen, you're going to see this hook right here, doop, like that. You're going to see this turn to green, doop, 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 like that. And then you're going to see price action come up like that. And that's what it's going to do. And you're dealing with 10 seconds. You just got to let it develop. Once you see this turn to green, once you see this pink cross the blue right here, that'll be our first signs to get in. In a nightfall. And or you could just place it right here on the orange, or you can place it right here on the yellow or the red. And the nightfall, pink cross the blue. Notice anything? And the nightfall. Now we don't have the red to green yet right here, so you can just wait patiently. There's no need to get in. Buy stop again off the yellow line. And wait for this to turn. Let me check out our 5 seconds. Yeah. 1 second. Yep. Just be patient. You have to have this 1 second pull back down again. And then you're going to see this pull back down again. And then you'll see, right. And then now you got to see it. Now that's a pretty good time right there for that 15 second. Yep. See that pull down? Yeah, you got to let that pull back down. Still love it, by the way. Yeah, still a 15 second buy. I don't care. 15 second buy, stop to the 10 second blue line. Just be patient. Yeah, it might turn into a 15 seconder. Yeah. Now you can play the medium terms, 3-minute sell stop, 15-minute sell stop, and all that. You can, feel free. I don't touch any sells with GBPJPY. I don't like any sells with GBPJPY. GBPJPY is one of the best performing anything symbol in the last ever. It's just incredible of what you've seen. Incredible. Anyway, so let's check US30 again. So US30, we rode it all the way up. Oh, look at this shit. Are you fucking kidding me? Wow. Wow. Yeah, we're doing pretty good on US30. US30 buy stops. Damn. Here's my buy line right here on US30. Look at it go up. Wow. I wish you guys maybe should listen once in a while. This is where I called it on the live. I sent out the message directly. You're up 57 pips. You're up 60 pips on a 1 second to the blue line buy stop on US30. And you can't say I didn't say it. It's literally in the title of this show. It literally says, look at it. Fuck. Woo, baby. There it is. Here's SPX, which won't be near as high. It's probably going to be like 4 or 5 pips, but it is amazing. That's more than enough for what you guys do. Look at this. Yeah, 3 pips, 3.5 pips. Look at that. Just amazing. There you go. 50 pips on a 1 second buy stop. That is literally the name of the show. US30 1 second buy stop. Uh-huh. Yeah, we're going to have to he's going to have to do a little tweaking on this code right here. It's not seeing the right things. Look at that shit. Yeah, you guys are welcome. You're welcome. Look at it. Perfection personified. Called out a 1 second US30 this morning. We're up 50 pips. Called out the same SPX at the same time. We're up 3-4 pips. Gold did whatever it was doing at the time. Oh, yeah, that was a buy stop. Where were we called? We called it to the 5 second. We called it to the 10 second. Called it to the 15 second. Play any buy stop, 1 second, 5 second, 10 second, 15 second to the 30 second blue line of gold. You're going to see this finish going up. When this finish is going up, I think you're going to be right at it, right at the blue line. Doesn't matter either way, you made money. Yep, I would do the same thing for gold. Yep. But a going gold long term, I need it to come back down. I don't care. I need this to come down like I just showed you. It needs to come down. This is an optional. It has to come down before I'll take any entries. I'm calling out 5 second. Now remember, some of you get a little confused on this point. Right here, it's basically this area right here is one set of slower type moving. Let me get this different color for you. From your 3 minute on up, you always play these together. And then from the 3 minute down, you play these together. So that 3 minute can kind of go either way. But basically, you're looking at when you're making these calls, I'm saying I want the weekly to come down, but you can play 1 second, 5 second, 10 second, 15 second, 30 second buy stops whenever. I don't know. They just happen differently. These in here can go up and down 20 times, 50 times, 100 times while the weekly falls. So we're just waiting for, it's not an official weekly sell because it's still turning into buy, but all the buys and sells up here you can play from 3 minute and under. So we got to have this come down a little more. Good morning, Henry Chastain. Good morning, Erica. Got to get on early, get the free money giveaway every day and go Boppo Bank. Correct, John. Good morning, everybody on TikTok, YouTube. Good morning, Larry. Good morning, Damien. Good morning, JJ Johnson. Good morning, old man. But yeah, that's all. So you'll see me call out these fast money ones while we're waiting for this longer buy stop to form. We need this weekly to drop down. Telling you, that gold, baby. The gold in them dar hills. Oh, yeah. All right. So that's US30, 50, over 50 pips. SPX, over 3 pips. Gold in the money multiple times. GBPJPY, it wouldn't stop printing money. I just kept showing you over and over and over again. When the night falls, oh yeah, 15-second buy stop, 15-second buy stop, 10-second buy stop, 5-second to the blue line. There's the blue line touch. On the 5-second GBPJPY, you're about to see it go up to the 10-second. I believe you'll see the finish out on this one to the 10-second. And that'll be your 10-second buy. All right. Good morning, everybody on TikTok and YouTube. Good morning, Coach Cleats. Good morning, Mylene Nakuna. I'm so sorry if I slaughter everybody's name. Good morning, Nakuna on TikTok and everybody on TikTok, Mr. C, Orlando, Larry, everybody on YouTube, X. We've been literally calling out the buys as they come up on GBPJPY, showing you how they form, showing what they do. It's been a lot of fun, real easy. We'll keep doing this. I do have to take a regularly scheduled program break. We are the only trading system in the world that's been issued from the United States of America Patent Trademark Office, a Class 41 trademark. This isn't applied for. This is literal. This is the number. That's me. That's the safety trade system. If you go down here, you can see that it's signed, sealed, and delivered. This is a Class 41 coaching in the field of building generational wealth through stock trading. This is legally protected. I also have a patent pending on over a dozen different indicators. A patent pending doesn't mean I have a patent. It means it's legally protected because it's patent pending. Yes, it will be patented soon, but for now, it takes time for them to do that. How much time? Well, this took a year to get, over a year to get. The patents will take probably anywhere up to 3 years to get, as a guess. Point being, legally protected program. Don't fuck around to find out. You'll lose. Trust me. Please type yes if you understand that I am not a financial advisor, never claim to be, never want to be. Please conduct your own due diligence. Please trade only demo like I do unless otherwise noted. Please go to my store. It's fantastic. It has the best merchandise ever. Please understand, you're an adult and you make your own decisions. I am actually embarrassed I have to say that to you every morning, but it is what it is. Please type yes if you understand it's legally protected with an NDA, trademark, patent pendings. Please understand that when you make your own decisions, that's on you, not me. We only trade the green up arrow and the red down arrow. Please type yes if you understand that. Facts, the old way of trading fails 99%. Please type yes if you understand that ascending, descending wedges, naming of candle patterns. This is so dumb. Volume and VWAP and what do they call that? Block trading, Bollinger Bands does not work. They're silly. Don't believe me? Believe being quoted by Dave Ramsey. Less than 1% of day traders are actually profitable. So don't believe me. Good. Then go argue with Dave Ramsey and see how that goes for you. 85% of all day traders quit within the first 3 years of trading because they're losing. So if all that doesn't work, what does? Well, your best chance of becoming consistently profitable. And my whole goal is none of that. My whole goal is to retire each and every one of you. Retire like Gary is retired. Retire like Kim has retired. Retire like Big D has retired. Retire like he could, Tommy. Retire like Josh is retired. Or the equivalent thereof is, how about taking two homeless people, Billy and Kevin? They both were homeless. One was in Britain, one was in America. They both traded their way out of homelessness with the system. Are you kidding me? Or better yet, the system is so accurate that Russell became saved because he was an atheist. He couldn't believe how accurate the system was. So please type yes if you understand that the old ways of trading fail you 99% of the time. And your only hope, well, your best hope is the safety trade system. Please type yes if you understand that the win rate for tier 3 signals by themselves on the weekly daily is 16-0, 100% win rate. And you would have had over, let me get my little thing here. These aren't optional. This is a fact. If you would have put 0.0 on just the indices themselves, you'd have $13,500 demo money only. Also, almost holy grail trade year to date, 4-0, 100% win rate. If you were to put a 0.01 on the indices that it called out, which these are market order entries, you'd be up $4,600 on a 0.01. These entries aren't like the other ones where you actually have to follow a simple little rule called a half moon. These entries are when the signal goes out. Matter of fact, let me go over the new Discord room and show you the name of it. Okay. Demo market order entries, just hit the damn button when the signal comes up. That is the name of your category that the room is under. Demo market order entries, just hit the damn button when the signal comes up. So when one of these is issued through the Discord, you just hit the damn button and then you get this $4,600. Please understand, you should draw out and write out. Also understand, this is so simple. This isn't optional. This is a fact. LD, one of our members, is teaching his children and grandchildren, 8 and 12 years old, the safety trade system by showing them the weekly direction, daily direction flows this way. Everything against it is not a long-term trade. You have to go with the flow of the river, showing you that if you take a trade with that, even if it turns against you for a minute, the flow will make it correct. So that's a fact. It's being taught to 8-year-olds and 12-year-olds, children and grandchildren. If they can learn it, you can learn it. Hope I'm not giving y'all too much credit. Okay. Kev, the H&H scanner is the greatest thing ever. It's a free gift. Ooh, buy stop, Naz. Let me see, Naz. Might be able to get you some more greatest thing ever. Let's see, 15 second. Yeah. Play any buy stop on Naz, SPX, and US30. Is it correct? Hold on. Yeah. Oh, wait, what? Wait, what? It is a 15 second. Why is it saying the blue line? Whoa, what? Sell stop. No. Something isn't reading right. Is this 15? Am I on the right thing? Hold on. 15 NAS. What? Why is it showing a sell stop? Oh boy. No, this is a buy. This is a perfect buy. NAS 15-second buy stop. Why is it showing this as a sell? SPX. SPX. 5-second buy stop SPX. US30. 10-second buy stop US30. 15-second buy stop NAS. 5-second buy stop SPX. I've already called these trades out a good bit ago. Many 15 seconds ago. There it is. This is my first line in. For SPX, you can re-enter if you'd like. This is NAS, And this is the US30 right here. Look at that US30. How many effing pips is this? 80. You've made 80 pips from my call out of the name of this show. Let me be specific to you. Let me be as specific as I can to you. Wow. US30 1 second buy stop to the blue line. Live trading. That's the name of the show. Made 80 pips for you. 880. Oh boy. Yeah, I don't know. What TikTok went down. Why did TikTok go down? Thank you, Larry. Thank you, D Nice. The time. Your live is not eligible recommendation restricted in search results because it may contain unoriginal reproduced content. Appeal. What are you talking about? Unoriginal content. I am the original content. Get the fuck out of here. TikTok, you are a mess. Wow. Hold on. Unoriginal content. Yeah, right. We're back up on TikTok. You can't get any more original than someone who created the damn fucking system. Jeez, oh pizza. They really don't want the truth out there. I hate to tell you guys this. They just don't. US30 15-second buy stop. And we're back on TikTok. Wow. Okay. So we called out successfully 80 pips on US30. I'm sure over 5 pips on SPX. Dozens and dozens of correct calls on GBPJPY. We just never stopped. It keeps making correct call after correct call. It's a ricochet back up to the blue line. 10-second. Not original content. Really? Not live right now. Really? Is that right? TikTok. If I didn't get so many of you from TikTok, boy, this would be a different ball game. That's why I'm desperately trying to get Facebook Live, Instagram. Oh, I can do Instagram Live. It only keeps you on for an hour, though. That is annoying. I don't know why Instagram has such restrictions. The nightfall. What's up, Henry? Being there, Henry and LD. Hey, VR. Cardenas. And nightfall. Buy stop forming. Buy stop. 10-second to the blue line. You're going to see it hook. Come back up again. 197.370. 197.382.
I am not a financial advisor, demo trade only.
So you got to let this pink and purple come down. Well, we can follow that down. Let me see which one we can get onto. No. And the nightfall. Yeah, we'll just wait. Oh. Thank you, Larry, for the heads up on that, by the way. Thank you, Larry and D Nice, for letting me know about TikTok. Appreciate that, my friends. I know, right? What's up, Martin Lewis? Please do EURUSD. Thank you for all you do, Kev. You're helping a lot of people. Yeah, we can do that. EURUSD. There it is. Buy stop 1 second. Yeah, 5 second, 10 second, 10-second buy, 5-second buy, 15-second buy. Play any buy stop 1 second through 30-second to the 30-second blue line is hit. You're going to see it come down, I think, a tad bit further. It's going to hook and come back up. EURUSD buy stop 105 1.05297 1.05302 buy stop EURUSD.
I am not a financial advisor, demo trade only.
Now going up to a little higher time frames. 5 minutes sell to where? Is it to a blue line? No, it is not. It's too late. It's too hard of a fall. 1 hour. Is it going to go to the 4 hour? 7 hour? 12 hour? Daily? Weekly? All right. Daily buy stop to the blue line, even though it's not official, I'm still calling that. Weekly, it's a 3-week sell. It's a monthly sell. I've been calling that for fucking a year. Monthly sell, I do believe eventually you'll be below 0.94979 on EURUSD. These take forever. Remember, I just told you guys, you can play any of these 5 minutes, by themselves and up. All those little buys we're talking about are totally different. Those 5 seconds, 1 second, they're just, one group is like macro and one's like micro. That's all I can tell you. One's like general physics and one's like quantum physics. Quantum physics, they have their kind of own little rules. They things move differently a little there and here, and don't get me started on spooky movement at a distance. No one can actually explain that, so that's kind of ironic. All right. Good morning, everybody on TikTok and YouTube. Oh, we're calling out tons of trades. Let's keep going. We made over 80 pips on US30. I strongly recommend a lot of you get here earlier than you are. When I literally named this one just to get your guys' attentions on the buy stops, because I can call those trades immediately, then go over our legal shit later. But yeah, I would be a little more timely on getting here earlier to catch that early money. US30 up over 80 pips on a live naming of the show call. Tell me another trader that does that. Tell me another trader that trades the 1 second. Then tell me another trader out there that does 1 second and gets you 80 pips. And then tell me one trader that gets you 80 pips by naming the fucking show 1 second buy stop US30. That's what I sent out to all. When that went out, you would have been up 80 pips this morning. That's all I can tell you. SPX also up. Gold also made money on gold. Made shit tons of correct calls on GBPJPY. Sorry. Next, AUDUSD. Nope. Oh, it's just about there. It's just about ready. Here we go. Sell daily. It's going to go down even further. Weekly. And I do believe I got tapped out on that trade. It was like $30, something like that. Loss. Weekly, though, it's almost to where I want it to be. I'm almost comfortable enough to call it again. We need to come down just a little bit more, and then we're going to flip and come back up again. So yes, I'm going to call a weekly 30 buys here shortly on AUDUSD. See if we can make any of that fast money for you. Nope. Let me see. 10 second. Nope. 15 second. Nope. 30 second. Yes. Buy stop. Any 1 second, 5 second, 10 second, 15 second buy stops to the 30-second blue line of AUDUSD. Love that trade, actually. Gorgeous trade. USDCAD. Nope. Buy. Nope. Hold on. USDCAD. 1 minute sell. I'm going to go ahead and skip that one. I mean, it is a 1 minute sell, but you don't have to play that. I don't like it. It's against the game. 5 minute buy for me. Let me see the 1 hour. Yeah, 5 minute buy. Yeah. I would do any buy stop, 3 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute, 30 minute, till this 1 hour pink goes up and touches the blue. The gap fills in over here. You can see I love that trade. It's a very nice USD CAD. Daily. Yep. Oh, yeah. I was calling it back here. well, because it was forming our W, but I was calling it back here. But play, this is very specific for USDCAD. Play any 30-minute buy stop that you can find on USDCAD. It's just a fantastic trade. This is exactly what you want to see. This is a daily. So play any demo buy stop 30-minute. Just keep playing it, and I'll give you until the first take profit, until, in this case, daily sniper pink line goes up and touches blue line. Okay. So that's as easy as I can give you. This is going to be paying money for several weeks. Let me see. March till it hit up here. Yeah, I can see the next couple weeks, 1 week at least, you're going to see this play out. You're going to make all kinds of money. If you'd have listened to me when I told you to do it back here on 7.3, you'd have made from here to here. You'd already be up 400, 500 pips on USDCAD. Did we have a call out? I think we had a signal call out too. Type out sevens if you, and oh shit, fire. Hold on, let me make this something too. Sorry, I forgot. The name of this show is 1 second US30 buy stops. It's up over 80 pips. What the fuck? All right. So that I can tell you, that's, I always write those things down. I forgot this morning, but that's what it is. This specifically is USDCAD. We're talking about daily. We're playing any 30-minute buy stops you can find. You have plenty of time. This is a very, I would look for those 30-minute buy stops. You can play an ADEX on that. You can play some options on that. This is a very good trade. If I didn't say very enough, please let me say it one more time. It's an extremely good trade. And the nightfall, and thank you, Larry and Guyberger, for being the only two people to say sevens. XRP, baby. Gee, I don't know. Anybody in the right mind that's followed me for more than 1 second knows I've been calling XRP for a buy, regardless of what it shows on the system. I don't give two fucks. I've been telling you about XRP for a couple years, 3 years, really. This January will be 3 years I've been saying XRP buy. I first said it at 31 cents. This is a monthly buy, weekly buy. I don't give a fuck. It's a fucking buy. XRP will go past, as I already told you, 75 cents. It'll go past 86 cents. It'll go past $1. XRP will go past $1.19. XRP, I'll tell you as it goes up exactly how high. $1.14, $1.80. Yes, this is where I see XRP comfortably going past $1.96. So $2. That's where it's going to go to. Now, will it get up past here? I don't know. I'm going to have to see when it hits that $2 mark. I'm going to see how high we are on our sniper. Can it go past $3.34? It can, yes. Am I very confident? I won't even sell. I have just a few $1,000s of it. I won't sell any of it until we get up past $2. That's my view. I might be wrong. Probably not, though. This is a 3-week. This is a monthly. This is a weekly. This buy. I don't give two. Again, I'm in at 31 cents. If it goes down below 31 cents, woe is me. I'll be okay if I lose 3,000 or 4,000. I don't think that's occurring. I think XRP will be past where I just told you. Hope I'm clear on that. Thank you, Martin and Nathan and Jared for actually responding with the 7s. All right. Morning, everybody on TikTok and YouTube. Ethereum. Everybody wants to know what's happening with Ethereum. Gee, Larry, did I call out these buy stops and was it looking pretty bad when it wouldn't get off that 12-hour sell? 624 Ethereum buy. Whatever the hell. What did I put it at? 2,400 or something? Yeah, 2,400. And now you're up to 3,400. You're up $1,000 a coin, and we're just getting started. Ethereum, play any buy stop, 30-minute buy stop until the 3-week. This is going to be a big push up till this 3-week pink comes all the way up. Me, myself, I don't like the fact the purple isn't down low enough, but it is what it is. Until the pink line goes to the orange on my sniper, until this gap is filled in here. This is the perfect 3-week, which takes forever, buy stop. This is our logo. I've been teaching you this time and time again. When you see, well, you don't have the blue line, but when you see this right here, the buy stop, then you see the fill in the gap afterwards. This is our logo. Our logo happens to be green. In this case, the buy stop up. It literally came down right here. It literally is coming back up. This is our logo. This is how you spot it. This is how you see it. Yeah, that's it. It's amazing. Play any 30-minute buy stop until the 3-week. I'll just take this out. Until the 3-week sniper pink goes up and touches the blue. I really need to have this, don't I? I don't know how to keep this, though. I'm running out. I need more drawing tools on here. Anyone knows another good drawing tool like ice cream recorder? It's a NAS 30-minute sell stop valid. I'm sure it is. Good morning, Brian Claus. Good morning, Harry. Good morning, Filio. Is the NAS buy stop? I'll get to that in a minute. Ethereum, as called out by myself, as called out by our signal services, specifically here. We had a Ethereum buy stop called out on July 23rd. And it was our one little sticky thing that wasn't moving what we wanted, but look at it now. We're in lots of money on that call. Excellent money on that call. Extremely good money. Ethereum, where is it headed to? I tell you, I already told you where it was going, but let's go ahead and zoom in a little bit and see. Let's take a look here. Ethereum. Told you it would go over the 3,300, so 3,400 mark. It has. It's going to come up over the 3,700 mark. It's going to come over the 4,000 mark. I have to see the 3-week as it comes up, where we're at with it, before I call it going over officially the 5,000 mark, but I think we'll get there. I have to see where this is at as it goes up. I've already called 3,400. I've already called 3,500. I've already called 3,700. I already called 4,000. Will it go to over 5,000? Let me see. We'll know if this fills in the gap when that happens. But it's happening, and I would play any 30-minute buy stop, period. Bitcoin, gee, let's take a look. Someone here back a year and a half ago on 3/8/23 at 26,500, Bitcoin to go over 70,000. Live, I said those exact words. I said it will go over 70,000 when it was at 26,000. Then, as this live video shows, because 90% of you are too lazy to go pull it up, on 9/8, I wrote Bitcoin buy stop at 58,000. I revised it to 56,000 a couple weeks later. But buy stop 9/8. This is the live video of me actually literally drawing out what you see right here, my 9/8 Bitcoin at 50,000. This also was called out by our signal services, 2-to-1s. This signal service right here, the tier 3 signals called out Bitcoin. Where's my Bitcoin call? Hold on. Bitcoin on September 3rd. It was up $38,000. This is the Bitcoin call out from September the 3rd. Tier 3 signal results. This is in our Discord. You would have made $38,000 a coin. Actually more, because it went up higher than that. Okay. Not only did that one call it, But we also had a call out in another signal service that you also get as a free add-on for tier 1 or tier 2 or tier 3. You get a Bitcoin call on October the 27th. That's up $21,800 off almost holy grail trade. This almost holy grail trade, these trades are demo market order, meaning when you get the signal, you take the trade. If you took the trade when the signal went out, you'd be up $21,800 on Bitcoin. So this is Bitcoin. I called Bitcoin at the time I made this thing. You can go back and watch it to go over $80,000. It did. Then I called it to go over $90,000. And it did. Now I'm calling it to go over $100,000 on Bitcoin per coin, because look where we're at. This is our 3-week solo. The last time it did this was back when it was at my time at 26,000. And then it shot up to here. So I'm just going to say it, roughly speaking, about 60. So if we do the same math, roughly about 60, you add on 40, we're going to hit somewhere in the high 90s to the mid 110s. So I'm going to call out 100,000 or H&H, close enough. So I've called out correctly to 70. I called out correctly to 80. I called out correctly to 90,000. And now I'm calling 98, 99, 100,000. I think technically once I see this go halfway, we'll be able to call it probably to way higher than that. But I'm going to wait. We already have our fill in the gap right here. So I'm going to be patient with this call. But there you go. Yeah. You don't have to worry about any kind of really, there's this thing called a rainbow chart on Bitcoin. I don't know what they call it, but it's the craziest thing. Well, when it does this and does that, no, this is what it does. First time blue line came up, there's no blue line, but I know where it is. First time the pink goes down, this is your buy stop. I called it down here. The system called it 5 days earlier. I thought it was only 3. 5 days earlier, 51,000 and change, the system called it. Damn. I called it later than it. The system, the Discord signal service is me, but but the signal service with the great Keith Palmer coding it was able to see the trade before I did. That's just the power of the signal service. It's that good. All right. So now we're past Bitcoin. I'll stop here. I'll go back up to someone's asking a question about NAS. NAS, Harry, is NAS 30-minute sell stop invalid? Well, let's go over a couple things. Let's see. As a child, we'd have a weekly, daily bias. They're all at the top, right? And the weekly pink line's coming up, purple line's coming up. This is the one you want, though. The 3-week pink line is still coming up. So this is my bias to you. First of all, I'm going to give you guys a quick heads up. We are 100% overvalued in the indice markets, 100%. We need this price action to come down to 34,500 on US30. We need NAS to come down to 15,000. We need SPX to come down to 4,500. That's just what has to happen. It's ridiculously overvalued. I think they're going to pull the rug out from underneath a certain president of the US in a certain amount of time here soon. And I think it's going to be a challenge. Could be wrong. Now, the bias is for a 3-week a buy, right? For the weekly a buy still. For the daily, still a buy. So if our long-term guys are saying buys, you really don't want to be in a NAS sell per se. Okay, let's go to the 5-second, 30-second, 1 minute, 3-minute buy, 3-minute buy, 5-minute buy, 10-minute buy, 15-minute buy, 30-minute sell. So to answer his question, the 30-minute sell isn't even a sell. So this can't be a sell when you have green, red, green, red, red. So this isn't a sell, a 30-minute sell. I don't know why he's reading it that way. It's a complete misread. You're wrongly reading the trade. You cannot just use the sniper on a 30-minute. This has to be validated with at least the hour. I would go to at least the 4-hour. Definitely not the daily. I mean, no. There's nothing to validate it. So this is not, your statement is incorrect. This is not a sell stop. You can clearly see these are green, green. I don't know what you're looking at other than the sniper. Can it go down? Yes, but is it a sell stop? No. SPX, 100% no, not a 30-minute sell. US30, not a 30-minute sell. So this is not even a proper question, Harry. I don't know what you're looking at. There's nothing here to say this is a sell stop. Does everybody understand? Yes, the sniper is high. Yes, it could come low. Sure, abso-fucking-lutely. You can play any kind of 3-minute. What's a 3-minute? Nope, buy. What's a 5-minute? Nope, buy. What's a 10-minute? Buy. What's a 15-minute? Much closer to a sell. 15-minute. Let me see the 15-minute with the 1 hour. Yeah. So if you want to call this a 15-minute 1 hour sell, not exactly, but close. Your real direction bar is flipped. It's supposed to be red, 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 green, red, red, sell stop. I don't see that. Does that mean it's not going to go down? No, I'm just telling you properly how to read the charts. It's not a 30-minute sell. And NAS and SPX run together, and this is a buy stop on SPX. Again, you can play it. It's just not recommended. Before I even touch this 15-minute sell, I would come over here. I would look for a 1 second sell stop to the blue line, a 5-second sell stop to the blue line, a 10-second sell stop to the blue line. See this 10-second sell stop to the blue? Absolutely. 15-second sell stop to the blue line. See, this is how I'd play that. You can't play just the 50. You have to play these ones first. Now it's not a 30-second to the blue. I can't call that. And I can't call a 1 minute. I can call 3-minute buy stop. I love the 3-minute buy stop on NAS. Love it. 5-minute buy stop on NAS. Again, if you want to play this, your closest possibility is a 15-minute sell, but I see no verification of this on the higher time frames. I would just continually play my 1 second, 5 second, 10 second, 15 second, 30 seconds, 1 minute. If they're sells, play them if that's what you think you'd like to do. But again, if you're thinking like a actual child, an 8-year-old and 12-year-old, I would look for my directional bias on my weekly, daily charts. And then if I don't see it on those, then I wouldn't take any trade. If I do see it on those, I sure as hell wouldn't take a sell stop, especially not at that time frame. You can't. You can do anything up to 3-minute sells, knock yourself out on, but I wouldn't trade that. Just trying to help you out. Good morning, Filio. Good morning, David Thomas. Good morning, Travis. Oh, I hope that all made sense to you all, guys. Good morning, Joe Bigga. What's up, Henry? Thank you all for being on TikTok and YouTube. We are kicking ass. We're already up 80 pips. We're up 80 pips on US30. Speaking of which. Yeah, we're good. Good morning, KP. All right. So I hope does that make sense to everybody listening about what I explained to on NAS? Did you guys catch the whiff of that? The gist of that? I'll wait for an answer on that one because it's very important you guys understand. You can't just force something in. You can't say, oh, well, this is a 30-minute sell stop, and therefore it's going to go down. Verify that. Remember your rules? You're in explicit instructions to number your trades. Well, where are all your numbers at? Where's your 2 charts at? Why would you call a 30-minute sell stop without a secondary chart? What are we looking at here? So if you're doing a 30-minute, the minimum would be an hour, but I wouldn't accept an hour. I would never want that hour. What does the hour show? I would look to the 4-hour. Hell, I'd look to the daily, honestly, to see what it controls. The 4 hours, a definite buy. Huge buy. So no, I can't confirm that trade on a 30-minute for any reason on anyone. Sorry, we need to be on the right one there, don't we? There we go. Good morning, Dennis. Understand. Awesome, Guy Burger. All right. Does a 3-minute dip on the 3-minute NAS concern me? Why would it concern me over anything? Dip. All this means is this goes up to the next higher time frame. You can clearly see this is a 3-minute buy stop. No, it's a perfect 3-minute, 5-minute buy stop for me. Concern me. Never a concern. This is a blast. Buy stop, NAS. Follow it down as it goes down. Rule number 7, 21,084. Buy stop, NAS, 21,085. Buy stop, NAS, 21,086.
I am not a financial advisor, demo trade only.
No, this is what concerned me. This is what, when you see these cells come down, this is exactly what you want. This is how they're formed. Play any 1 second, 5 second, 10 second sell stop to the 15-second blue line. I just got done explaining to him that he needs to trade these smaller time frames instead of looking for the 15-minute or 30-minute, which isn't even there, the 15-minute, which is kind of there. He needs to go ahead and look at these 15-second cells and play those on the way down. But if you put your head up, look your head up farther than, your knees, you'd see the 3-minute buy, 5-minute fill in the gap buy, 10-minute is perfection buy, 15-minute is converting over, the 30-minute isn't anything, the 1 hour is a buy stop, the 2 hour is a buy stop, 2 hour buy stop NAS, 2 hour buy stop NAS. I mean, how much clearer can you make something look? This is a 2 hour buy stop NAS. US30, you're already in the money on the 2 hour buy stop. SPX, 2 hour buy stop. I don't know how much clearer it can be. If you guys want to go ahead and figure out to play a 15-minute sell when it's not a 15, do it. It's not the rules. It's not the system. Good luck to you. I'm trying desperately to help you all out not to do that. If you want to play those, play the 15-second sells. Right? See, there's a little jerk up. Now, if you can get this to pop up a little more, sell stop. Let me make sure on the 1 second. Nope. See, it's a 1 second buy to the blue line. It's a 1 second, 5 second buy to the blue line. Then you have your 10-second sells. 10-second sell, place it right here, ride it down to the blue line. What I'm hoping they're going to do, whatever this bullshit news is at 8:30, who the fuck cares? What I hope they do at the news is this, especially for NAS. It's so beautiful. I want to see them do this. I'm telling you guys ahead of time what it's going to do. I want to see them do this, some kind of bullshit news down there. Then we'll see it a hook, come back up, and we're going to make all kinds of money. Once it's, it's the worst thing since, and they drop it down, then all we'll do is come right back in and make more money. Hope that makes sense to you. That's real easy. Real easy. Good morning, Michelle Gowinski. Yeah, I hope you guys are catching on. You can't just willy-nilly pick out a 30-minute sell stop and say this is a sell stop. It is not a sell stop. Again, if it's going to go down, play those 10 seconds and 15 seconds. That's all. This is a clear sell stop. Blue's coming up. It's going to come up a little higher. You're going to see the pink cross it. You're going to see red, 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 green. Follow the rules. You guys just make things up out of your asses sometimes, and it doesn't make any sense, and I don't understand it. You can't just call something a buy stop or a sell stop. You can't do it. Follow the rules. Print out a picture. Oh, geez, I swear. If you guys would start printing out a picture and only trade the picture, you wouldn't be caught in all this BS you guys think. It's so weird to me. All right. We called out US30 correctly off the name of the show. We were up 80 pips at one time. SPX was up. Gold, we made correct calls on. Ethereum, nope. GBPJPY, we made 100 correct calls on GBPJPY. I mean, it doesn't stop. We watched it live. Play any 1 second, 5 second, 10 second, 15 second buy stop to the 30-second blue line. Matter of fact, you're going to see this flip over pretty quick. You're going to see this turn and go up. And then it's going to go up and touch its 30-second blue line. I called it to the 5 second, 10 second, 15 second, now to the 30-second blue line. I told you to enter this trade as a buy yesterday, just so we're all clear. Yep, there you go. It was only at $100 this morning. It's back to $300, and it's going to go up again. There it is. There's my 2 buys on GBPJPY. Nice. And I'm going to hold that for a while. See? Already started to flip. You're going to see this fill in the gap right here. Blah, blah, blah. All right. I stopped at Bitcoin. Told you where Bitcoin was going. Told you where Ethereum was going. Told you where XRP is going. Amazon. Let's have some fun. Amazonian. And I don't care if it ever should. Let me be clear on this. If some of you say, oh, there's a 15-minute sell on Amazon, you're a silly person if you I hope I'm allowed to say clown. The clown world is rich in you. Do not play an Amazon sell no matter what you see. I hope I'm clear. It's always a buy stop. Look for buy stops. Matter of fact, write out the number 7 if you understand that Amazon is always a buy until further notice. This is not optional. You're not going to take any sells against Amazon. Just don't do it. Not until I see a whole different change. Thank you all, because this is just silly. You guys are just silly to think that you're going to find, yeah, okay, Bitcoin's going to go down and form a 30-minute buy stop. Yes, but Bitcoin is only going to go up. Again, trade like these little kids. Trade like these little kids. Trade like the flow of the river. Trade like the children and grandchildren of LD, where this controls it. You guys are looking for a 30-minute sell stop against NAS when it's strictly hour, 2 hour, 3 hour buys. I'm not saying the sells don't happen. Of course they do. Of course it's going to go down. Of course it's going to show, because that's how you make the fucking 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, 4 hour buy stops, is by having the 3 minute, 5 minute, 10 minute, 15 minute sells. But if you're going to play those sells, go down to that 3 minute, 3 minute, 1 minute, 30 second, and do the sells on the very short term. Don't think that you're going to ride a 30-minute sell stop for fucking 6 months. Now, it may happen. I may eat those words, sure. But I'm going to go ahead until I see the reversal on my dailies. There's no way you can call against it. It's just a buy. Same for Bitcoin. Same for Ethereum. Same for Amazon. There's just no other way of looking at it. Again, some of you get caught up in the weirdest things. So Amazon, play any 30-minute buy that you can find. Nope, fill in the gap, which means it's a 10-minute, probably 5-minute. Yeah, there's no, okay, it's going to be a 3-minute. All right, here you go. Here's an Amazon call for you. I'm not calling a sell until way long way from now. Buy stop Amazon, 215.43. Buy stop Amazon, 215.48. Buy stop Amazon, a little far away, 215.50.
I am not a financial advisor.
3-minute buy stop. Amazon. Till when? Till how high? Well, let's take a look. It's not this complicated. You guys way overcomplicate things. Play any buy stop. Look. By the way, let me turn on my little thing here. I want to see something. I bet you this little thing even caught this one because it's so fucking good. We have this new first time thing right here. Yeah, baby. Knew it. There it is. Boy, if I can get Keith to code up this thing in one day, you guys can learn to fucking trade these fucking trades. Look at how good. Look at how good. Nice. Still need to tweak it though. Watch this. Interesting. Yeah, there they are. 30-minute buy stops, fill in the gaps, buy stops. It's just, if you guys would just leave things alone and don't overcomplicate things, you'd be in so much better world. I'm so confused in how some of you think, when it comes to trading. It's absolutely mind-boggling how you read charts so incorrectly. I mean, again, if we can teach this to children as being taught to 8-year-olds and 12-year-olds, you guys have a good shot at winning. You really do. I'm just saying. Look, okay. Now listen to me. We have a free upgrade coming. To everyone in tier 3, you'll get this on your charts. To everyone in the tier 1 and tier 2, you're going to get it right here. You're going to get it right here. Weekly, daily 30. If you go to your Discord, you'll see it here. It's not fired up yet. It'll be fired up by the end of December. It's a free gift from the beautiful Bree and I, coded by the great Keith Palmer. But look what the channel created says. Demo market order entries. Just hit the damn buy button when the signal comes up. So when you see a weekly, daily 30-minute, it's going to look like this on your charts. This happens to be Amazon. Going back to just now, just what it currently is doing. This is when it called its buy, a gap buy, a gap buy. Are you looking? Look at all those fucking correct trades. All of these are correct trades. All of these are correct trades. And yet, somehow, some of you, I want to do a sell. What? It's what? What are we talking about a sell? The only thing you can take on Amazon for the next several things, oh, it's going to go down. Sure it will. That's what forms our fucking 30-minute buy stops. I mean, what the fuck? Some of you, I don't even understand the concepts of what we talk about here. I think I'm talking to the wall 90% of the time. Look, okay, there's a golden one. Let's go from here. Okay, let's go. Oh, sorry, we need to go from here. We need to go from the front one. My bad. Let's go from the very first time on this. There we go. When we have our first hook. Okay, let's go from here. All right, so this is our little thing. You notice right down here, this is our 3-week Amazon chart. Pink line low, blue line high. That's all that matters in this world. This dictates our lower time frames what to look for. Well, we're going to look for buy stops over here. We're just going to pretend like you guys know what to do over here. So if it looks like this, then we have our 30-minute chart open and we have a fucking thing to show us what to do. Now watch. Let me be clear. We have the ability to do playback here. We're going to come back to here. And this is live. This is exactly what the market looked like back here. I love this about TradingView. It's an extremely good feature with TradingView right here. So we're going to watch just this little itty bitty movement up. We're going to watch 30-minute buy stops be called out, maybe, but we already know they're there. So we're just going to wait for one and watch what happens. We're on 30-minute Amazon on the right. We're on 3-week Amazon on the left. There's our first buy. All you do, listen to me. When the signal comes up, just hit the damn button when the signal comes up. Demo trade only. Am I clear on this? Yes or no? When there's a weekly, daily, 30-minute signal, just hit the damn button when it comes up. So the signal came up. I'm going to hit the damn buy button, and then I'm in the trade. That's all you have to effing do. Good morning, Dadbot and Hot Rods. That's all you have to do. Can I make it any easier than this? What the fuck more can I do to make this easier for you all? Jeez. We had arrows. I know 90% of you couldn't follow arrow and arrow. So now I'm doing market order entries. That's all I can do. What more can I do to make this easier for you? Hit the button. Hit the button. Hit the fucking button. Okay, so let's go on. People are like, why does he care? Here we go. We're going to wait for another one to come in. Oh, there's drawdown. Didn't say there wouldn't be. Didn't say there wouldn't be. I'm telling you, by the time this comes from here up to here, right, till this pink hooks up, price action will be higher than where we entered. So let's keep watching. I'm going to wait and see if they give us another little entry. I do believe they do. Okay. Just going, there we go. There's our gap buy. We're going to call that. We're going to go in again. You're going to notice very little drawdown on that one, by the way. Let me put this at like, I'm going to play this back at 3 times speed, and I'll try to enter them in. Another entry. Another entry. Okay, and we're just following up. All we're doing is following up the 3-week up. Watch, here's another one coming up soon. We're doing 30-minute entries only. Okay, and all we're doing is just doing the 30-minute entries being called automatically by the system. That's all we're doing. I can't even keep up with it. Okay, it's all I'm doing. We're on Amazon on the left 3-week, on the right 30-minute. I'm not even going to do anymore. It's getting ridiculous at this point. I think we're 14 trades deep. And all we're doing is just taking when there's a 30-minute buy against a 3-week. That's it. Look at how many more. I didn't even enter in these last 5, 6 trades right here. I didn't even enter in it. Look at it. Look at it. Yeah, okay. And it's just, in fact, I'm going to speed this up now. Look at all the fucking trades. I could hit this button 10 more times. Look at it. Look at all your buy stops being called out live. This is a live playback. Look at them all. This is your money. I only did 14 of them. Look at them all. You could have entered and exited that trade 100 times if you wanted. Watch the blue line rise up, by the way. That's when you're going to see another hookup. You could have gotten in additional how many ever fucking times you wanted. Additionally, even more. Double the amount. I could have been in this trade at least 30 times at this point. Another one. Let's do it. Another one. Another one. Another one. All these entries being called up. Another buy. Another buy. I don't think it'll let me buy anymore. Look at them all. All these being called out. Keep watching. This is Amazon. 30-minute buys. And you have all 100. You have at least 20 more times for this US30, Amazon to do a 30-minute buy stop. It's not done. It's not even close to done going up. Take every 30-minute buy stop you can find in Amazon. Look at them all. Look at them all. Just keep taking them. Just keep taking them. Just keep taking them. Trust me on this. I wish I could have took more of them. Look at it. Now I'm going to go ahead and zoom out a little bit so you can start seeing how this works. Pink line came down. Buy stop's going to be called. Blue line down, even better. Watch, pink line crossed your entry. You're going to see the blue line shoot. See that? And see it shoot up. Pop, 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 pop. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. Another. I think I overwhelmed it. Look. Look at it go up. As a matter of fact, I should have called this one. There was another one right here. There was another one right here. It didn't call. Look at it. And this is Amazon. Current Amazon. As I told you to take Amazon. Take every 30-minute buy stop on Amazon you can find. Take every buy stop you can find on Amazon, 30 minutes. I guess we blew it up. I don't know what the fuck happened. What the fuck? Why didn't I get my 100% win rate? I've never seen, I think we've overwhelmed the machine. $472,000 profit doesn't matter. It's 100% win rate. We enter the trade 24 times and it's just getting started. Let me be clear. It's just getting started. Are those words getting through to anyone? This trade right here, take any 30-minute buy stop, play any demo buy stop 30-minute until the sniper pink line, watch, goes up. Until the Amazon pink line goes to the blue line on the 3-week chart. This is your buys, 100% win rate, and it's just getting started. I hope I'm clear. I hope I'm clear. Good morning, James. Where you been, James? What's up, Jay Cochran? That you take every 30-minute buy stop until this pink line goes up and touches the blue. We've already, what was that? 24 of them I showed you live with the playback feature. You have another 20 to 50 more of them coming. Just take the buys on Amazon. It's not done. It's nowhere near being done. It's not even within weeks of being done. Play the buys on Amazon. Now, when I tell you that, we're going to go to Costco. Okay. And I'm going to show you Costco. And then it's going to be the exact same thing, but I'm not going to play it back, even though I should. Okay. Let's take a look. 30-minute buy stop. You see it being called automatically by the system. The new feature is coming up. But watch. What is Costco doing on the higher time frames? Well, let's take a look. Daily, boy, that sure looks like a buy being called out. Weekly is also, and this is the one I'm telling you to do. Take any 30-minute buy stops. I just showed you how good the entrances were on Costco until the pink line, sniper pink line, goes up and touches the blue line. This gap is filled in and on the weekly. So Costco is now a 30-minute weekly buy stop, period. Just what it is. You can argue, you can say, oh, blah, blah. That's all you need to do. I've made trading to the point where you just click the fucking button when the trade comes up and you'll make money. What more? Well, I am. I'm going to make a robot for you guys too. That's it. Simple as that. Simple as that. Simple as that. Take any buy stop, 30-minute until the weekly pink line goes up and touches the blue line on the sniper. Apple. And do not ask me to go over ones I've already gone over. Somebody, I think it was Don actually. Don, you got to do better. Don't ask me to go over a symbol at the end of the show when I've already gone over the symbol. You go back and rewatch the show and find out what I said about Apple or whatever. Don't ask me to go. Now, if I'm trading US30, NAS, and SPX and gold live, ask away. But if I'm not trading the symbol, don't ask me to go over it. Just don't be lazy and actually go back and watch the damn show yourself. Hope I'm clear on that. Daily, weekly, Apple, buy. Love this trade. Love, play any 30-minute buy stop until the sniper pink line goes up and touches the blue line. Love this trade. You're going to see it has to come down a little further with the purple. It's going to come down here. It's going to cross. The pink's going to go up to the blue. Buy stop, weekly, 30-minute Apple. You enter in any 30-minute buy stop you find on Apple. Google. Yeah, it was a buy. There's nothing. It is what it is. It's still going up. If you didn't believe me on this, you should have absolutely listened to the signal service. The signal service called out Google twice. On July 16th, they called that out. This is our tier 3 signal service, which is 18 for 18 with 0 losses. Google was called out on July 16th. And also, again, Google was called out on August the 5th for a buy. August the 5th, it was so both of those, you should listen to the signal service. Tier 3, if you don't understand. Now, another good thing about the signal service tier 3 is, let me zoom in a little bit more, is if you would put a 0.01 trade on the indices only, you'd have $13,500. Of course, demo only. But yeah, if you would have done that with the signal service, you'd actually be up $13,500. Just saying. Okay. Next, what you guys are going to watch is Hilton. Hilton, called out by me as a buy. You go down to the daily. Obviously, it was just a perfection buy right here at 234. Hilton. I don't call it anymore. Let me see the weekly. Yeah, I'm good with Hilton. You don't have to do anything with them anymore. JP 225. I don't really care about it. It's Japan 225. It matters nothing to me. I only call it because one of our members like it. You can do any 30-minute buy, stop, demo only on the 3-week basis till this pink goes up to the blue, but I do not care about JP225. It's 0 to me. McDonald's. Everyone tells me, oh, I don't even eat them. I haven't eaten McDonald's in 20 years, but McDonald's sucks. It's horrible. No, it's been a fantastic stock. Y'all can suck it. It's been kicking ass. It's a weekly, daily buy. Yeah, it's not quite formed yet. We need the pink to come down a little lower, so don't be surprised if McDonald's comes down a little lower. We need this blue to flatten out over here, but it will. And then you're going to see a buy. I'm not going to call anything. I have called it officially over here, but I'm not going to say the 30-minute buy. It is what it is. There's better opportunities for you. That's all. Microsoft. Daily, weekly buy. I called it down here on 11.5. You can go back to 11.5 and watch the show if you're not lazy, and you can see me call it weekly, 3 weekly. It's got to be. It is. Now, this one, Microsoft. This is beautiful. This purple needs to come down just a little bit further, but I'm calling anyways. Play any 30-minute buy stop you can find on Microsoft. Love the trades. I've already called the official in over here, but Microsoft is fantastic. Until the 3-week pink line comes up to the top, take any 30-minute buy stop you can on Microsoft. Netflix. Everyone tells me, oh, Netflix sucks. Netflix is horrid. Oh, and all it does is keep going up. No, I'm not going to. It's just a fantastic thing, you guys. And NVIDIA, give me a break. If you can't make money with NVIDIA, quit trading. Schwab, we called the daily. We're up big on that. The weekly, you can keep calling. Let me see the 3-week. Monthly. Yeah, it's a beautiful call I called it live over here on this one. I'm positive. I remember it was like 68. Yeah, 66, something like that. Yep. It's not done going up, but I'm good on Schwab. Silver. Nope, needs it to pull down. The same thing as gold. Let me show you with silver what needs to happen. Then we'll get back into silver. We need silver's weekly pink line to come down like this, down to here. And then it's going to do that. And then we need the blue line to stay flat. We need these to show a little fill in the gap like this. They're going to come down lower like that. You're going to see the space over here. You're going to see this line scoot like this. Then you're going to see silver do this, this, and this. Now, this can take months. This can take whatever, but it's going to do that. And that's what it's going to look like. So you can put a buy stop on silver up here, here on the orange line, or you could just wait for it to continue to go down. I think silver is going to cook somewhere in this range right there. You'll see it consolidate, and then you'll see it go up. So that's what silver is exactly going to do. Don't ask me later what silver is going to do. That's what the fuck silver is going to do. Exactly. I don't know. Well, okay, watch the show. UK 100, another one of those I don't care about. I really don't care about UK 100. It is a weekly buy stop. You can take the 30-minute entries. You can place it over here. It is a buy. I don't care. We play our three indices, US30, NAS, and SPX. Copper. Yeah, I don't care. Tesla, another one. If you can't make money on Tesla, just stop it. Stop trading. I don't know how to help you. These are weekly, daily, 3 weekly, monthly buy stops. Look, monthly buy stop, 3 week buy stop, weekly buy. Oh, I told you about all this shit back here. Don't tell me I didn't. Go back into October, watch when I read Tesla. You'll see me call this out over and over again. Buy, the weekly buy, the 3 weekly buy, Tesla. Now, if Elon Musk is going to swing me over $1 billion, I'll make these call out for the world. It gives me a platform. That way you guys don't need universal income. You can actually earn your own money. Look, it's going to go up over this. How many more billions is that to Elon? You know, hey, I already told you it was going to go over here. Told you exactly when it was going. It would go over here. Absolutely break its center line of the W. Said it was going to go over here. It did. Said it's going to go over here. It pretty much did. I'm telling you right now, over 500, isn't it? 400. Oh, easy. Yeah, it's going to blow past that. Tell you, any 30-minute buy stop you can on Tesla. If you don't know how to do that, I can. I mean, whatever. AMD, beautiful. 3 week buy. Yeah. 3 week monthly buy. I would put your buy as it goes down, follow it down, but 144.10, 145, 146, 147, buy stop, or play any 30-minute buy stop on AMD. Love this trade. Love this trade. Love this trade.
I am not a financial advisor, demo trade only.
Love this trade. Love it again.
I am not a financial advisor, demo trade only.
You guys want more? DE40. We have one person here that really likes this, the German 40. Again, I don't know why they call it this DE. It's always been GER on MetaTrader 4, but whatever. DE40. Nope, negative. I don't really give two shits about this thing. I'm calling it out just because one of our people like it. It is a buy. Daily, weekly buy. That's all I'm giving you on that. I'm not even going to call out shitty Meta. I'm not calling it out. GBPJPY, I will call out. Yeah, weekly buy. Play any 30-minute buy stop on GBPUSD. Love this trade. Follow it down. Love this trade. Weekly, it's going to take forever to do. Now, to give you a little example, 1.27708, 1.28053, 1.28743, 1.29433.
I am not a financial advisor, demo trade only.
All right. That's everything. We literally made 80 pips, over 80 pips. This is a buy stop on US30 again. Play any 3-minute buy stop. Play any buy stop you can on US30. The name of the show is 1 second. Let me see if we can go down here and see where it's at. Yep, already did it. Already did it. Already did it. Yeah. It's too late. That's all. 3-minute buy. 1 minute buy, 3-minute buy. I called this a while ago when we were talking about NAS, remember? There's NAS down to the 1 minute line. Beautiful. 3-minute buy, NAS. Love the 3-minute, 10-minute. Love the 5-minute, 10-minute buy, NAS. I would have bought it down there, but whatever. 21,079, 21,080, 21,081. Buy stop NAS.
Financial advisor, demo trade only.
Let's see what we can see here. Play any buy stop to the 5-second blue line. So play 1 second buy to the blue line NAS. 1 second buy to the blue line NAS. Hopefully it dips down a little bit more, than you'll see it hook. Come back up. You're going to see this pink rise. You're going to see this fill in the gap right here. And then you're going to see price go right to that 1 second blue line. And there it goes. There it is. As called out, filled in the gap. Pink went up. Price hit the blue line on the 1 second. What do you guys think about that? What's up, Eric Silverio? What do you think about the WEN coin? No shit about it, but if that is the symbol, I'll pull it up for you. How'd you guys like that? The 1 second chart played out perfectly as called out by me. Let's go look up WEN. I don't know what that is. I don't give a fuck. It's not my thoughts. I'll tell you exactly what it's going to do. The WEN coin. You're talking about, what the fuck is that? Wendy's, Wisdom Energy, iShare. If you can't chart it on TradingView, I don't know what to tell you. Good morning, Jamie Rojo. What's up, Jamie? Still love that name. Eric, what's the symbol? The symbol doesn't miss. That is correct. I don't, if it's WEN, WEN, that's Wendy's. I don't know what WEN is a coin. I don't know what the fuck that is. Maybe crypto. Let me go over crypto and see if it pulls it up. WEN USD Q coin. Sure. Let me look at this. I guess why does it say Mexico? Kraken maybe? WEN Euro? I'm going to do the WEN US dollar. I don't know what the fuck this thing is. All right, let's tell them exactly what's going to happen with the WEN. WEN. That's so funny. Okay, can you take a look at Litecoin? Oh yeah, I was almost mining Litecoin at one time. I tried to be a miner, but whatever. 1 second. WEN. WEN. It's a 1 second, 5 second sell stop to the 5 second blue line. WEN. To the 10 second blue line, sell. WEN. To the 15 second blue line. It doesn't look like it's changing. There it is. Okay, 3 minute, 5 minute. Nice. I like this 15 minute. 15 minute buy stop. WEN. 15 minute, 1 hour buy stop. It looks like you missed the run up already. It was a 2 hour buy. It was a 3 hour buy. You should have been in this trade way long ago. 4 hour buy. It was a 7 hour buy. You missed it. So if you're asking about when you kind of choked, you should have been in here. It jumped up to here. Now, is it done going up is what he's really asking. Let's take a look. Daily. I don't like that. It's already filled in the gap. And of course, there's no fucking information on it because shitty ass, little ass fucking know nothing coin. I can't call it. They don't give me anything to go by. There's no history on this coin. Daily is useless. It's already to the top. 12-hour fill in the gap's already happened. You can play some more buys on it. Yes. Yeah, I think it's going to go back up to somewhere around here. 0.0000000000000. I do think it'll flip back up a little bit, but I would do those sells. Yeah, it's gonna hook and come down again on these sells. It's gonna go down to 0.000155555. Yeah, it's gonna come down to 0.000155248. I don't know. To me, that's not. I wouldn't touch that thing with a 10-foot pole. Eric, sorry, but that's the way it goes. Good morning, Long John Silvers. Morning, Manulo. Good morning, Michelle. Michelle Galinsky, number 3. Look at Michelle go. Michelle, listen to me and listen to me now. If you're still here, I don't know if she's still here. Play only this. Listen to me, Michelle. Turn off all signals in the Discord room except for the almost holy grail signals. Then when this comes out, take a 0.01 on every one of these, Michelle. Demo only, of course. This will get you $4,600, not including Bitcoin going up $21,000 and not including gold going up $152. Just take the almost holy grail signals. They're not going to miss, Michelle. So when you go in your Discord, turn off all the other signals except for the first time signals, the almost holy grail, and of course the holy grail signals. Now listen, this is the one that's going to generate the most money for you though over time. We created a new room, Michelle. Make sure you go in there and you turn the notifications on for this room. The weekly, daily 30-minute is going to be this is going to be market order entry. The first time signals are market order entry. The almost holy grail are market order entry, meaning, Michelle, just hit the dang on button when the signal pops up. If you did it with this particular signals from the almost holy grail, you get $4,600 on a 0.01 just off the 2 US30 calls. By the way, you have time. Take any 30-minute buy stop you can on GBPJPY, Michelle. Now, Michelle Mike Galinsky, I've known for 40 years-ish, whatever. I consider her a very good friend. We don't talk hardly ever, but she's still a good person. I consider her a good friend. And I'm just trying to help her out. Everything I just told her goes for every one of you listening. Turn off all your other signals. Just turn on the ones that are market order entry and then hit the dang gone. If it's a buy, hit the dang gone buy button when the dang gone signal comes up. Weekly, daily, 30-minute is going to be so fucking fantastic. You guys are going to be just making money hand over fist. It won't stop. And it's going to call them out a lot. Almost holy grail, first time signals. None of these have missed. None of them. The holy grail hasn't fired yet because it's only going to fire once a month, once every 2 months, once every 3 months, twice in 3 months. It's weird. It's a very, very specific signal. It'll fire, but it's just going to take time. This one, this thing is going to fire all the time. This is the one that's going to get you guys to be able to retire. In my opinion, that's the one. Oh, Litecoin. All right, let me look at Litecoin for solace. You're welcome, Eric. Michelle. Oh, thumbs up. Thanks, Michelle. Okay, I'm glad she's still here. All right, let's look at, nope, we need to go to all. Let's look at Litecoin, I think he said, right? Is that LTC? Yeah, LTC, Litecoin. Oops, hold on. Litecoin. Binance. How about we just use Coinbase? All right, here's Litecoin. Litecoin, 1 second, sell to the blue line. 5 second, nothing. 30-second, 1 minute buy stop, Litecoin. I thought Litecoin was trading in the hundreds at one time. Maybe I'm mistaken. Could have swore it was. Litecoin, 10-minute buy. Litecoin, 15-minute buy. Litecoin, 15-minute, 30-minute buy. Litecoin, you just missed a good little buy in this 2 hour. You just missed that. 3 hour buy, you missed it. 4 hour buy. There's a 4 hour fill in the gap. There's a beautiful little trade. You guys should have took that. Let me see the daily. Now we're getting to the money shots. Too late. Touch the daily blue line. Who the fuck? Somebody should have traded this to the blue line on Litecoin. Wow. Easy fucking money. Weekly. 3 week. Monthly. I thought so. I thought it was trading up here in the 300-400s. Oh man, it got fucking slammed. No, you have time. You have time. I would play any 30-minute buy stop. Absolutely. I would play any 30-minute buy stop until this pink line right here on Litecoin. Wow, how high can this go? I see Litecoin going over $100. I see Litecoin going over 107. Ooh, I wish they don't give me enough information here to see because they're shitheads trying to hold things back. I mean, this is just beautiful to the daily. This is what's going to happen now. Let me draw this out for those of you who are hearing impaired. Watch, it's going to do this. It's going to hook like this, come back up and go way past this daily. I would look for any buy stop you can find. I would look for any buy stop. This is really good. Whoever said this, Solace? Yeah. Solace says fire. Oh, he's in it. It was 400. See, told you. Solace, Phoenix Avionics, laughter out loud. I don't know what I said. But yeah, I thought it was in the four. I knew it was. I remember back in the day when I was trading it, not knowing anything what I was doing, by the way, and almost becoming a miner for it. Anywho, this is absolutely what it's going to do. Let me show you over here. These are going to turn to green right here. You're going to see this pull back a little down like that. You're going to see this thing reset. So Solace, when you see this come back down on the daily, take any 30-minute buy stop on the way up. I'm telling you, this is, and then price action, this will go up like this. And of course, price action will come back up like this and go over it. So that's what it's going to do. If you can hold it, since when you get in, hold it, or at least lock in your profit, right? But I literally would play any demo buy stop 30-minute until the sniper pink line comes up to the blue. But the sniper pink line has to come down first on the daily. That's how I would look at that trade. But a very good trade. I think you should be able to, yeah, if you're in it already, you might be able to hold that through everything and start making some money. Because when you hold it and do your runners, that's called compound interest. That's what I call compounding. So he was in the 3-hour. Nice. Yeah. You made $10 a coin. Excellent. Oh, 16 minutes to news, 16 minutes to news. Whatever. I guess I'll have to go over there eventually and start paying attention to that shit. You're locked in. There, see, Solid Soul, you're doing good, my brother. All right. Let's go back up. Take a look at our handy dandy little stuff. Matter of fact, let's do our handy dandy scanner. Yeah, something is not right. Yeah. I'm going to have to ask Keith. Yeah, something isn't firing right here. We'll have to see if it's just locked up. I know he's got stuff to do today. Give me 1 second. There we go. All right. Hello from Mexico. What's up, Urban Astoria? Welcome from Mexico. All right. Well, we don't have a scanner. Let's look at it ourselves. How about that? We are buy. So these are long term. 1 second buy, 5 second buy, 10 second. There's nothing you can do. You're too late. All right. That's NAS. Let's see. 30-second, 1 minute sell stop NAS. No, just buys. I'm sure we're too late on here too. Yep, too late here. Wow, we are just sucking up the world, are we not? Yeah, there's nothing. Okay. Our only hope on trades are this. And I think our only hope we got is this one. And it's not even a hope anymore. Fuck. Yeah. How much time we got left? 14 minutes. Well, whatever the PPI shitty ass news is, Powell speaks, blah, 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 whatever BS they throw out at you. We need a pullback. So let's hope it's some kind of stupid news where they drop it down. Or even if it's good news, they drop it down. You know, they do that to collect your contracts. So NAS, let's do this. We'll call it as it gets closer. Obviously, we can't call it right now. NAS, I'm going to look for basically a 1 minute sell stop. So I'm going to look for NAS. We're going to need a pullback. Need it to go down before the 8:30 time or at 8:30. You know, they pull that stupid thing where they collect everybody's stop losses, and then we'll jump in. Obviously, all right. But let's just keep an eye on things. This is my preliminary read right here. I'll tell you what's going to do right as it does it. Now, remember, we don't play market orders. Do not play the actual news itself. Just don't do it, please. You're just silly if you do that. Don't do that. All right. Now, ultimately, all I care about on these symbols is this. SPX, 2-hour buy stop. NAS, just like I called out yesterday, by the way. NAS, 2-hour buy stop. Okay. US30, 2-hour buy stop, but you're kind of already should be in the trade. You're a little late on this. Speaking of which, I laugh. Here's my 1 second buy stop I called on US30 back here. I named the show this, so you can't say I didn't call it. When I named the show 1 second buy stops. Where the fuck is it? I guess once the 5, I'm going to go to 10 seconds. Hold on. There we go. This is my blue line. When I called the trade, the name of the show, it went out. Oh, Kevin didn't? Yeah, okay. Is that not clear enough for you? 1 second buy stops, right? 1 second buy stops have yielded you multiple times. I may add, over 80. So 70 to 80 or more pips. Are you kidding me? Crazy. 80 pips on a 1 second buy that I named the show over. Yeah, let's see someone else trade 1 second buys. Good luck on that. 30 second buy, 1 minute buys. There's nowhere for it to go. I mean, it is what it is. So we're done. Let me see. We need a pullback on US30. NAS. Yeah. I mean, it's a buy. I mean, we can call it like a slow sell. Yeah, our best hope is NAS. Our best of these are 3 minute buys, 1 minute buys, 2-hour buys across all three indices. So we need them to do the stupid little shit that they do. Let me draw it out. Let me get rid of this one. We need them to, well, that could kind of work, but let me redraw it. We need them, and I'm going to probably stay somewhere on that 30-second, maybe even faster. I want to see them drop it in real time. Five-second buy. 1 second buy, 5-second buy, 10-second buy, NAS. So if this is any kind of news at all, which I doubt it will be, this is what I wanted to do. We need, for NAS only, we need it to, well, it's doing its logo, so let's be clear. It started here, came up, hooked, came down. What we're going to need it to do is come further down like this. We need NAS to drop. I'm not going to call US30 or SPX. I want NAS to drop hard like this. and then we'll catch it. I might even trade it. Now, if any of them do it, I'll take any of them. But I think it's going to be NAS that's going to do that. I think they're going to pull it down, try to get everyone's stop losses, and then come back up with it. Now, again, don't play this news. If you're going to play the news, lock in profit. If you're going to play the news, make sure you lock in profit. Yeah, this is a safety trade right here. This is a 10-second buy. This is going to go up. Yeah, you can see it. I don't know. It's going to hook. It's right here. I mean, see the pinks coming up. You're going to see the green. You're going to see this is our safety trade, actually. Right in the middle of that's going to hook up right now. We need it to come down. We need it to do the opposite of what it's showing. There you go. We need this motherfucker to come down to here somewhere. Yeah. Let it come all the way down there. Let NAS fall like a rock before we get into it. But it is a buy. 10-second buy, NAS. Just let it keep falling. Good morning, Mike Snyder. What is the meaning of logos? Cool. You're new here, obviously. This is what our logo looks like. Well, we can go over here to the type form. This is what our logo looks like. Freaking cool. It's the bull. On the back of the bull, there's a red down arrow. That's what we trade. On the back of the bull, there's a green up arrow. That's what we trade. So that's what's mean by the logo. If you come over here, you can see certain things. What you're going to see right here is this. You're going to see price action start underneath, came up, retraced, and now we're waiting for it to do that. Doop, doop, like that. And that's our logo. Now, my logo drawing sucks compared to this logo drawing, but I'm not a graphic designer on Fiverr who made this for us. Kind of close. Okay, maybe not, but you get the idea. That's our logo. So everything we do around here is to find the logo, trade the logo only. Now, again, we're on 10-second charts. You guys have no clue of what, no one can trade 5-second, 10-second, let alone, let me be clear. I don't think I'm being clear. The 1-second buy stop was sent out live, right? Was sent out live to over 1,300, 1,500 people. US30 second, US30 1-second buy stop to the blue line. I also put on SPX2. This is the name of the show. And if you go over to US30 and you go over here to our, at least where you can see the line. This is where the line is when I started the show. Okay, maybe 30 seconds. There it is. This is where I called it live in an email to you all, to 1,500 of you or plus, saying that there was a 1-second buy and now you're up 80 pips before. So why are you even bother playing any trade or any news is insanity. Okay. 5 minutes to any kind of news. We'll play it, but it's just silly. You're already up 80 pips and you want to play more? It doesn't make any sense to me. See our logo, it just formed. You're in the money on the buy on the 10-second, even though we need this thing to drop like a rock. Hopefully they do it at the news. So price was here, came down, retraced our bullshit detector. I'll teach you how to trade in a second after the news. This right here was green, 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 red. It had to come down. Then our little hook back up is when the pink crossed it. Again, you're dealing with 10-second trades right here. This crossed, it came up, price came up, and the system predicted it before it happened with near 99.99% accuracy. I always say God can do what he wants, and that's fine. Other than God, that thing was going up. And it did. Oh, it didn't go up much. Okay. You're dealing with a 10-second fucking trade. And it isn't done, by the way. It's going to rehook, come down. You're going to see the blue come up right here. You're going to see blue come up. You're going to see the pink hook come back down. You're going to see it come right back up again. And you're going to see price rise again. It's not done. 4 minutes to market open. I'll teach you how to trade as soon as we're done with this. Oh, Mr. Franken, thank God for bringing me a system. What are you watching for as entry vertical thing? I've been in futures trading business for 30 years. I've been trading my own account for over 25 years. Kevin has the greatest system ever used. Mr. Frank, damn. I don't even know. Mr. Frank, what's your, well, email me. I appreciate you saying that. That's very nice of you. I don't know who Mr. Frank is. There's so many hundreds of members now. I don't know what this is, what the system is. I agree with your statement, though. Mr. Frank goes, Kevin has created the greatest system ever. I agree with him. And thank you, God. And thank you for being here, Mr. Frank. What are you watching for as an entry? There's rules. It's off the lowest line, your lowest EMA. Told you. See the hook? See, told you. Told you it wasn't done going up. Told you the blue was going to be high. The pink was going to come down low and hook and come up. Told you again and again and again for the millionth time today. There it is. Again. Oh, well, it's only 10 seconds. Well, it's a fucking 5-second, 10-second buy stop. What do you want from me? But it did it. It does this exact same thing on the weekly, daily, and you make hundreds and thousands of pips. On a 5-second, 10-second, I don't know what to tell you. It did exactly what it's supposed to do. And still not done, by the way. What are you watching for entry? We have rules for entry. Matter of fact, we have rules for entry, and we have a signal service. And guess what? Here's the signal service that called out all of these rules for entry that we don't even have to do anymore because I have a signal service that tells you when to get in and out of your demo trade. All these are correct trades on tier 3. We have tier 1, tier 2, tier 3 signals. Oh shit, we're running out of time. Tier 3 signals. It's 18-0 since July 1st, since its inception. Literally every one of these are accurate. You would have had $13,500 if you'd have just played demo trade only. If you'd have played that on 0.01 entries on just the indices. See it going up? Told you it wasn't done. Told you it wasn't done. Told you. Now it's going to hook down. Pink's going to come down again, come down to this orange line, and then we're going to ride it up again. Hopefully it comes down. We get a little break here. Yep. And then our other signal service, which is you can do order entry, market order entry, meaning you just hit the damn button when the signal comes out. You would have $4,600 if you'd have done that. This is our own almost holy grail trades. Again, we have such good rule of entries, order of entries when our entry line is. We have a signal service that does it. Literally tells you exactly when to take a trade. Boom, 2,600 on US30. These are 4 signals that were only called. Bitcoin 21,800. GBP is current. You can take any 30-minute buy stop on GBPJPY, and you'll make hopefully a whole shit ton of demo money. If you put a 0.01 on US30, though, you'd be up $4,600 on that one. Not anything else, just 0.01s. And we're playing 10-second buys, and you can clearly see that the NAS is there. There it is again. Told you, here it comes down again. You're going to see it touch. You can put your buy stop right on the orange line, but I want it to come down lower. It needs to come. We need NAS to drop down. Oh, shit. News now. Let's wait for it. Let's go. I got no more time to talk. I'm going to try to get back into a trade. I can if I can see this pull down. There's the news. Let's see the news. There you go. There, buy stop. 21,092. Buy stop, 21,092. Buy stop. Holy shit. I don't think I can get back in. It moves too fast. See, look at that. There you go. Buy stop, 21,092 on NAS. Told you that's the one I want. You're in the money. Go ahead and close that trade down. No need to keep it open again. Close the trade down. Here it comes down again. No need to keep that trade open. You literally made in seconds. No one could have traded that. They would have never fulfilled your order. They only do the things. Buy stop again, though. There's no need to bother. You would have made at least 6 pips on that. Let me see US30 real quick. Yep. Let's see US30. Oh, gorgeous. Let me go up to the 3-minute. Not enough. 1 minute. Buy stop. Buy stop US30. 4,097. Buy stop US30. Let me see NAS. Follow this shit. Oh, beautiful. There's our NAS drop. This is gorgeous. Oh, come on now. Look, it looks like nothing here. Fuck. Buy stop NAS. Buy stop NAS. Where's another entry point then? Fuck. Buy stop NAS. Off the 10-minute, 5-minute. Hold on. Just do your buy stop NAS. Just take the fucking buys. Let this shit keep dropping. Gorgeous. That's what we needed. This is absolutely what we needed. Gorgeous. Keep on dropping. Here's the 30-minute. One of our members wanted to call out, and I kept telling him don't do it. I said play the 3 minute and then play the 30-second. Gorgeous. Keep going down. Buy, stop, buy, stop. 10 minute. Yeah. Take it off the 30 minute. 1 hour. Love this trade. Buy, stop, NAS. Followed on the way down as it goes down. 21,081. 21,082. NAS. Hold on. Demo trade only. Buy, stop, NAS. 21,074. Let me go over to US30. Oh, US30 already flipped? Oh, I hope you guys got into US30. Fuck. I told you. Yeah, just take it. Take this buy. What is this? 1 minute. Buy US30. 44,086. 44,089. I would go down here. 44,085. Somewhere in there. Remember.
I am not a financial advisor. Demo trade only.
Love this buy on US30. Love the buy on US30. Just followed on the way down. Keep following it. Where else can we get to? 15 minute? No. 30 minute? Yes. Let me go to 10 minute buy. Yeah, 10 minute. Right off this orange line on the 10 minute. I don't know if we can get it. I think it's right there. Right off this line on the 10 minute buy. US30. Buy US30. Love the trade. If it goes any further down, I'm going to get into US30 myself. NAS, I'm in it. I'm not going to get in it. Just keep following it. SPX. Okay, SPX. Let's go to SPX. Buy, stop. SPX. Is it down enough? Yeah, off the yellow. Oh, it's too late. Fuck. Off the orange. Buy, stop, SPX. 5,998. 5,998.3. 5,998.7. Buy, stop, SPX. 5,999.
I am not a financial advisor. Demo trade only.
Mr. Frank, I don't know what you wrote. You're something. I can't see it. All right. That's fun. This is fun. Oh my God. Let me go back down to the 5 seconds. All right. Sell 10 second. Let's see if we can get any kind of 15, 30 second. We wanted NAS to be the one. NAS to the 3 minute. Yeah. All right. Follow it down. You can take the trades down. I love this buy. Buy NAS 21,061. Buy NAS 21,064. Buy NAS 2167. Let it keep going down. Followed on the way down. I love the trade. Is it going to hit the 15-minute line? Ooh, no. Where's it going? 5 minute. Yeah, you can play sell stops to the 5 minute blue line. I love the entries though. Buy stop 21,069, 21,070. Love them. Keep going down. Let NAS. Is SPX following? Or is SPX already flipped? Following. I love the buy on SPX, matter of factly. Let's go over here. Let's go over to here. Let me go down to there. I'm just going to follow this down with SPX. And we're going to take that trade all day and twice on Sunday. Let me see NAS. And let me see NAS over here. Yeah, let me see where it goes down to. To the 5 minute blue line sell. You can play any sell stop on NAS you like. By all means. By all means. Let me see. The 1 second's already been called. The 5 seconds already been called. 10 second, 15 second sell stop. Fill in the gap on NAS. 1 minute. 3 minute. To the 5 minute blue line. Yeah, that's cool. Damn, there you go. 5 minute touch to the blue line on NAS. This is excellent. 15 minute. Yes, this is perfect. How low does he wanted to go to the 15 minute blue line? Let's see if we can get it to the 10 minute blue line. Might be able to do that. This is gorgeous. Let me see US30 real quick. Yeah. Keep playing the sells if you like, especially NAS. The NAS sells that I ripped on somebody earlier for. But I do love this buy stop right here. Okay, I'm putting this in. This is US30. Why the fuck not? US30 buy stop. Put it over here. 44,048. 44,051. Buy stop US30 off the 5-minute line. Love it. It's going to take a while for this to flip around, mind you, but I still love it. Can we get 2 hour? Can we get a 1 hour? No. This is core. They're giving you an opportunity here. Oh, let me see this one real quick. Yeah. Let me see. Of all of them, I like this US30 better. This pullback on US30 is ridiculous. 2 hour. Buy stop, I like it. Fuck it. Let's just do it. Where's my US30 at? Okay. Now, let me see NAS. Where's NAS? All right, I'm getting everything set up for US30 and SPX. I'm going to get everything set up for NAS. Love it. 2 hour buy. 1 hour buy. Love it. All right, let me pull up here. Where's that Camilo Cabello song? I love it. All right, hold on. 2 hour. Yeah. This is prime. Hope this goes a little lower below the green. Fuck. Buy stop 21,055, 21,062, 21,068, 21,072. Buy stop NAS 100.
I am not a financial advisor, demo trade only.
Yeah, this is beautiful. We needed this. This is exactly what I wanted, was this pullback on NAS specifically hard. We got it hard. This is just perfection right here. You can play this down to the 10-minute line. Play any sell stop down, sell stop 1 minute. Yeah, it hit the 5-minute. 1 second, 5 second, 15 second, 30 second, 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute to the 10-minute blue line. I just don't think you're going to hit it, but it is a wonderful little pullback. This is gorgeous. This is absolutely stunningly beautiful. Love this trade. Give it time. Give it several hours. Give it till maybe open. Look at that bounce off. Fuck, did I enter that? Yes. Okay, so NAS buy, SPX buy, US30 buy, all have been called out for you. Do with that knowledge as you want. I know the US30 is in profit. The US30 is in profit. You can take money out of the US30 buy by all means. The US30 and the NAS are in buy. The US30 and NAS are in buy. In profit. You can take the money out if you'd like. Nice. There you go. There, just take your money out. There's no need to keep it in there any longer than you have to. There's no need to keep that in there any longer than you have to. You can take profit and run. You can close down your trade. Feel free. Good morning, Tanny. Okay. You're in profit on all the call outs on those buys I called. Take profit out. You're up $889 on US30, and you're up $283 on NAS. Take profit out, close one down, leave one running. Wow. That's what you call it. That's how you call the trade right there, baby. You have to move fast. You have to move furiously. What are you seeing and not seeing with the H&H? Let's see. Keith Rooney, the San Francisco tree. Gosh, I don't remember, but I think I sent a video to myself. Let me forward it to you. Nice. UPS first time signal error. Let me see. There. I think it was that one. Fuck. I really don't remember. Yeah, you're in great money on US30. You're in great money on US30. You're in great money on SPX. These are the trades on US30. These are the trades I just took. Look at NAS. Look at US30. Perfect money. Perfect. There's your money. Take the money and run. Close down one trade, leave one open. Close down one trade, leave one open. You're in the money on NAS. You're in the money on shit. You're in the money on all of them. Hold on. I'm going to have to close down my SPX, though. I don't like holding that thing. There you go. There's your money. I'm going to close down SPX. I'm going to close down NAS. I'm going to leave open US30. And there you go. And I still have my 2 GBPJPYs open. Yay. There you go. All right. So if you guys did those buys, like I said, literally drew out the NAS one for you. That was over $1,000 pip trade for me. SPX was good. It's SPX. And then US30 is fantastic. That's what I'm going to hold. And then I have 2 GBPJPYs. Yay. There you go. That was fucking fun. Good morning, Tanny. All right. Now we're done with that. I forwarded that stuff to Keith. All right. Remember.
I am not a financial advisor, demo trade only.
Gorgeous. Gorgeous trades this morning. Again, I'm trading inside of candles for you. That US30 is golden. I'm going to hold that US30, man. Maybe we can make that into a bigger trade. What was our last one I got up to? It was 50-something thousand, I think, on my US30. 500 pips. Yeah, it was 500 pips. So let's see what we can do on this one. Kind of annoyed because it forced tapped me out on my take profit. It's like 20. All right. Any questions over what just happened? Anybody have any questions over what just took place? Easy peasy money. Drew out what I wanted for NAS to happen. Easy peasy. Easy peasy. Easy peasy. Easy peasy. They don't always give me what I want, but you know, that's pretty close drawing. Look, that's pretty close. That's pretty close. Yep. I'm gonna go ahead and say that's pretty close. And I was calling out the numbers for you as entries. You can't code this. It's impossible to code this. I can't put this into code where I'm playing inside of 15 or 3-minute candles, 5 minutes. It's impossible. But I can trade it with you live. And there you go. And there it is. Gorgeous. Yeah, I'll take that. Beautiful. No questions? Lightning. Thank you for the lightning, Solace. Thank you for the hot chili pepper, Brad. Vertical cinema. I think I've answered your question multiple times about entries, and you saw me do it live. But that is tricky. Trust me. What I do on these news things is very much an acquired skill, but it's there. So if you want to look down here, you're going to see that these were 1-second buys and also a 5-second buy. So if you see right here, this would have been a 1-second buy to the blue line is when it came up. See when it starts to reverse, these 1-second buys start to kick in. Doop, 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 doop. And that's NAS. 5-second. All right. And now it's a 5-second buy stop, ricochet to the blue line. And if it goes up, great. We'll make even more money. Buy stop, ricochet, NAS, 21,062.8. 21,065. And if all it does is go down, then we don't worry about it. You don't make any entrances or whatever. All right. Oh, that's gorgeous right there. Let me go over to US30 real quick. You guys can't get excited about seeing these charts. I don't know. I think it's the most prettiest things you've ever seen when you see these charts. Prettiest things you ever did see. What's up, Andy Joe, Long John Silva, Michelle Glowinski, Gasano, Mr. Frank, Vertical Simba, Tanny, Tank Dog. What's up, Tank Dog? Mike Snyder. All right. We just got done, and still a buy again, by the way. US30 buy right off the green line, 44,053. You make money again. This pink's going to come down. Let me draw it out for you. Some of you can't even follow words. Watch. Pink's going to come down like this, going to hook and come back up like that. Then you're going to see this blue line come across. You'll see these green lines fill in right here. Then you're going to see price action do this. And that's what it's going to do. Nice and easy. And there you go. Buy stop off the green line right here for US30. Okay. What time is it? Yep. We've called out successfully. Oh, I don't know. Whatever that stupid news was, PPI or Powell or PPPPPPPPP or NBC or CBS or fake news network, whatever. It doesn't matter. We just played it and we played it perfectly, easy peasy. Now, next step. We've called out the name of the show is 1 second buy stop on US30. We made over 80, 90 pips a couple of times on it. It was crazy. That's our blue line entry line right here is called out live. And you're in the money again on your buy off the green buy on US30. Just close it down. There's no need to hold any of these trades long. Just make 2,000-3,000 or a couple 200-300 and close them down and run. That's it. We've successfully called out GBPJPY this morning, gold this morning, NAS this morning, US30 this morning, and SPX this morning. I've called out about 30 other symbols. All these symbols have been called, plus some. I don't even know what a when is, but I called it for whoever that was. All right. Now, what we're going to do is a Klondike bar. Bitcoin. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. And yes, my friend, one of my best friends in the whole wide world, John Verrilli, calls it shitcoin. He used to make fun of it. I was trying to buy it at $1. I tried to buy it through a bank, Community Bank and Trust, in a city I was living in. And oh, wait, that might be the wrong one. That's funny. Okay, sorry, just writing keys back. All right. I'm here, finger on the trigger, and my eyeballs on you, says Linda. Well, we're all done with that trade. So, you can go back and see the calls I made for the other ones. But yeah. All right. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over Bitcoin. I'm going to show you what Bitcoin's going to do and how far it's going to go up. And I'm going to show you the last time it did it. And I'm going to show you exactly the entrances that we have called for ours. Okay. So this is Bitcoin last went up. The pink went up here on roughly January 2nd, 2023. Okay. I made the first call in on 3/8 at 26,000. I made my second buy stop call in at 56,000. I'm going to show you what to look for now. And I'm going to show you how to exactly trade Bitcoin on the way up. So there's still plenty of time to make money. I called Bitcoin to 70,000 when it was at 26,000. I called Bitcoin to 80,000 when it was at 56,000. I called Bitcoin to 90,000 when it was at 56,000. I'm calling Bitcoin to go 98 to 102,000 right now. So you have plenty of time to do 30-minute buy stops on Bitcoin. These scammers had good news this morning, and they see news doesn't matter. Rocket, you get the idea now that news is just silliness. The news, there was good news, I guess. I don't even know what the news was, and they dropped it. They have no logic for that other than they're collecting your stop losses. They're making money off you for putting in your stop losses too close. That's all they're doing. Yep, but that's what they do. And then I'm telling you to do a buy. So, you guys listen to whoever you want to listen to. All right. So Bitcoin. We have opportunity on Bitcoin to keep trading it, over and over and over again. Okay? This is a 30-minute one right here you had. So whenever you see a 30-minute buy stop, so I'm going to teach you what a buy stop is, okay? So no worries. Okay? And I'm going to teach you what a buy stop is. As long as this over here, this pink line right there is going up, which it will. It's going to go up. It's going to go up. It's going to go up to here. So as it rises, let me be clear. Okay. As this sniper pink line rises, play, I didn't spell pink right, but you get the idea. Play any 30-minute buy stop. So I'm going to show you what that means. So as this rises, just watch. So watch. We hit our bottom here. We're going to go back to here. Okay. So where are we at? I don't see our little lines. Maybe they're in front of us. Sorry. Okay. So as it is here, here's your first one. Here's your first buy stop. Okay. You would take this buy stop right here. Up she goes. So let me show you what this looks like. You know what? Again, though, hold on. We're still in front. You could take that trade. Hold on. I want to get it to where we're at. Yeah, here we go. After, we should see an orange line right here. Hold your horses. Where is, hold on a second. Got it. Okay. Here's our orange line. Damn, that was hard to find. Well, you're dealing with a 3-week and a 30-minute. Anyway, so this is the first time it happens. Now, remember, we have rules, we have this and that, but the very base of the system is so easy. We have children and grandchildren learning it. All right. So watch. We're going to take away. You can't see the future, right? So we're going to take it away. There's nothing here to see. You can't see in front of the purple. I'm going to take it away here also. So you can't take it away. You can't see anything from here on either chart. Okay. Now, when we have this set up, we have certain things. So, matter of fact, you know what I can do? I'm going to take us back in time. We're going to take us to here. I'm going to remove this because you don't need this. Watch. This is what you would actually see live when a trade is coming at you. You would see the green, 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 red, the green, green, blue line low, the pink's about to come up and cross it. So what we can do now is I can play this back for you. So while we're watching here is this pink line on the 3-week, and that's all we're looking at. So as we play off of our 30-minute, this is a 30-minute buy, and technically I'll show you exactly where to put your buy stops in at and where your stop losses go to. Let's go over to here, grab this one, grab this one. Buy stop, well, it's supposed to be on the orange line, the lowest one, or your buy stop on the yellow one. These are your buy stops right here. Each. And there's your buy stops. And then this is what we're going to do. This is your pivot point stop loss. It comes like this. And if and when price goes up and over like this, we're going to put our stop loss below that. So somewhere down here is going to be the stop loss. Okay. So that is what we're setting up for. We're going to go one movement at a time. Technically, I'm going to go ahead and put my buy in now because it's going to be right where I want it to be. So I'm just going to move it forward. Let me get rid of this thing. Oh, so it shot up and over, which would have been your entry, which is your stop loss is actually down a little bit. You got to see it below here. Right down there. Okay. And then we're in the trade. And now the blue line's rising. And you'll see price go up. You see the price go up, and there you go. So this trade right here, let's go over it so you can see it, is extremely, extremely easy. Okay. So watch. All we're doing is waiting for this pattern to form, including the sniper if you want it, but you don't need it. It's optional, add on $250 a month. Green, 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 red, green, green, buy stop. Boom. And you take it right when it crosses. I always go with the lowest one. Should have been down here, but you can do the yellow or the orange. In you go, pop, up she goes. And it's not done. This is just one of many. And you can re-enter any 30-minute buy stop as it goes. Good morning, Kim, the candle envy lady. Good morning, Kim. Remember, Kim, if you can get a hold of Robert Kennedy, let me know. I'd love to help them all make money through trading. Now that he's in position with Trump and with Elon, I think he can be in a much better position to be able to tell Elon to give me $1 billion and I'll trade for him. All right, look, this is the call though. This is your 30-minute buy stop. Again, I can't be any more specific. Take any buy stop you can find on Bitcoin, 30-minute or otherwise, and then just keep playing them. Bitcoin is not done going up. I called it from 56,000. The signal service called it from 51,000. I called it to 70,000. I called it to 80,000. I called it to 90,000. I'm calling it to 98 to 102. I'll know more as the 3-week moves up. But I personally think it's going to go way past 100,000. So, and I did call this out way before the election. If you guys remember me telling you what it was going to do after the election, and you're seeing it now. Okay. Now, I'm going to teach you all how to trade the system super easy in seconds. This is what I want you to remember. Write this down. Planning demo buy stop 30-minute until the sniper pink line goes up to the blue line. That's going to be on your 3-week. Also, NAS. Look for 1-minute sell stop need to go down before 8:30 or at 30. Then we'll demo jump in. That's exactly what I did. All right, let's get rid of all that shit. Let's close this trade down. Let's move that back to open. Close that down so we don't see it. All right, here we go. We're going to teach you how to trade the system in seconds. You're going to learn how to do the system very, 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 very easily. Here we go. Let's go down to a nice version where you can see it clearly. Sure. Oh, we don't have all the things there. Hold on. Let me see a 12-hour. There we go. Let's move this up. Okay, we're on 12-hour Bitcoin. You can use it on any time frame. Matter of factly, I want to get a cleaner one for you. There we go. We'll do a 7-hour Bitcoin. I'm going to teach you how to trade using the system. First thing you guys all have to remember is that that should give us plenty of room. Oh, this is gorgeous. 7-hour buy stop is about to form again. This is gorgeous. Yeah, keep playing those damn 30-minute buy stops on Bitcoin like I told you, for the love of God. Oh, man. Okay, here we go. Every time you see a certain pattern, you're going to play it. So what do I mean? Let's take a look. Right there. And this will be our first thing in right there. Okay. What do I mean? I mean, when you see certain things form, this we can time travel back in time thanks to TradingView. It really does have a spectacularly nice playback, live playback. It actually plays back your indicators properly most of the time. It does a really, really good job on the playback. I love it. I already talked to my friend. I'll send you an email. Oh, nice, Kim. Thank you. Richard Graham, NAS 5-minute touchdown. Nice, Richard. All right. Now, this is how you trade it. And this is what you're going to see. You're going to see this green, 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 red, green, green pattern, pink cross the blue. If you have the sniper, you don't need the sniper. I only made that because a lot of you were having trouble with the entrances. So that's why I made that. Here, let me pull this up a little bit. All right, there we go. Now, how would you trade? Remember, there's certain facts in this world. The facts are this. 1, I'm not a financial advisor. 2, you're an adult. Act like it, make your own decisions. 3, we only trade this green up arrow and the red down arrow. Okay, facts. All the ways we were taught to trade, all the old ways like Fibonacci retracement, ascending, descending wedges, support, resistance, name of candle, candle patterns, VWAP, all of that fails over 99% of the time. Don't believe me, then believe Dave Ramsey. Less than 1% of day traders are actually profitable. That means 99% of us fail. Okay, so that's a fact. If you think that any of that works, you're wrong. Again, not me. Get mad at Dave Ramsey. Next, you have to understand if you do something right enough, long enough, the end results are 100% predictable. Just learn the safety trade system. Because why? Because then you can get the exact same results as my signal service, 18 for 18. We have to update this to 16. It's 18 for 18 wins, up thousands and thousands of pips, period. Specifically, how much would you have made on this trade if you'd have used them? Right here. All of these were correct. The dates and the times that they were called out. You'd have over $13,500 just in the indices alone. Okay. Almost holy grail signals. These are market order, demo market order entries, meaning you can enter the trade as soon as the signal is called. As a matter of fact, you need to make the trade as soon as the signal is called. You'd have over $4,600, 4,600 pips at 0.01 entrances. These are the 4 trades: the gold, the US30, the US30, and Bitcoin, 21,000 on Bitcoin. But I'm just talking about 0.01 trades. So if you would have gotten this and learned the system, you can have 100% win rate also. 4-0 on the year-to-date Holy Grail, almost Holy Grails, and 18 out of 18 on the Tier 3 daily weeklies. So how are we so accurate with everything? Because we have a system and we have rules. When the rules tell us something, we do it. You can either try to trade from a raw chart like this and tell me where the fuck something's going to go. Guaranteed, every one of us would have said sell. We'd have said, oh, it might come up to here again, support and resistance, drop us down, blah, 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 blah. Blah. Bullshit. You had no clue of what this would do, or you would be wrong of what it was going to do. So this is your raw chart. You can try to put RSI on it because that's what we all do. We all go, well, maybe if I put some indicators on this chart, These are not technical indicators. These are BS indicators, and it pisses me off. And I'm eventually have TradingView take these down because my system will be the technical indicators. This is BS. How do I know? I tried Fibonacci retracement, pitchfork. Give me a break. Awesome oscillator. Give me Bollinger Bands are technical. My bum, they are. Get out of here with that BS. So none of that stuff put on here would help you. None of it. But if you actually flip over, buy the system for $575 for the year, you'd get something. Here are your rules. Like I've been calling out all this morning for you guys, by the way, telling you when to get in. This is exactly where you put your buy stop in to enter. I'd put it on my lowest line, which would be this one right here. Or you can do the green or the yellow right here. These are your entry lines. These are your buy stop lines. Your stop loss is wherever the pivot point is. I'm going to put it somewhere down here because I don't know exactly where pivot point. It comes down, pivots, comes up somewhere like that, and we'll enter the trade somewhere up here. Once we enter the trade, the lowest point is your stop loss. So this is your stop loss. These are your buy stops for your entries. So let's see what it looks like live. We're going to play this back. I hope I can catch it the right way. Right here. I would enter right now. I'd have already been in this trade. So we're going to do buy right here. That's where I would entry. I didn't even notice the pink line crossed. You can also enter off the pink line crossing down here. That could have been your entry. I prefer you not do that, but you can. And then you just have to be patient. Once it pops over my orange line right here, I would definitely enter. So that's my buy stops. My stop loss has to be moved down because my stop loss, oopsie, look at that cute little thing. Hold on. Because my stop loss is right here. Shoot fire, I moved the whole thing. Let me make that bigger again. Right there. So it came down further for the pivot. So somewhere around there would be my stop loss. Okay. Now, after that entry, you hold position, and let's just see where it's going. You'd be up immediately $659 on the Bitcoin purchase. This is how you play every 30 minutes. This happens to be a 7-hour, but it doesn't matter if it's a 7-hour or not. You play every 30-minute buy stop that you can find. This happens to be a 7-hour. I'm just showing you it works on all time frames. Again, well, I'm going to go ahead and say you can sell now. Literally zero drawdown, and you'd be up $5,494 with zero drawdown on my entry for Bitcoin playing this back live for you. Okay, let's keep going. Wow, I can't even see it. Okay, and that's how I'd play out that trade. That's where to put your buy stops in, stop losses in, how to take the trade, take profit anytime you want. Obviously, if you're up $8,000 in a matter of a day, take the money and run. Okay. Everybody with me on that? Sevens, if you understand how to take this trade or you want me to replay it, I will. But that's how you do everything with that trade. I love the playback. We could do one here if you want on this one. Love the playback. You guys should only trade it when it looks like this, whether it's on the 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute. Thank you, Dennis. Thank you, Ali 801. Thank you, Manuela. Thank you, Annie Apple. Thank you, Joe Biggs. All right. So that's what you do. That's how you trade it, period. I'm going to give you guys some more hints. That is just our buy stop. But I'm telling you right now, I'm trying to teach you all this. I've been going over and over and over again. When you see the buy stop, then you see this pullback. This is actually, don't get, people are like, this is a safe trade. This is actually the safety trade. When you see this blue line up, pink line down for the first time, this is the safety trade. This movement up was the safety trade here. So this would be like, for instance, a 15-minute buy stop. But this absolutely, that's why me and Keith are working on it, trying to get the first time signal up. Is the first time, let me see if it'll pull this one. I don't know. The very first time this happens, see, it didn't read that. I don't know why it didn't read that. It needs to do better. We need to teach it more and get the code right. But the very first time this goes up from here to here, there should be a buy stop, a signal up. There will be. And this, if I go back in time, if I put a line here and I go back in time, this will probably be like a 15-minute buy. But the point is, when you see this on the 1 second, 5 second, 10 second, this right here, every time you're going to make, that's your buy. That's your safety trade. I'm telling you. It's amazing how accurate that is. Don't worry, I've got a signal coming for you. That's what we're working on right here. Keith's probably going to tell me the pink line didn't go low enough, and bullshit. It sure enough did go low enough. It's technicalities, though, with code. Okay. So, again, you can either make these trades with a raw chart, or use other indicators that are silly and non-existent, which if you look at this chart, give me a break. You load in the indicators, the safety trade system, immediately green, 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 red, buy, stop, pink crossing the blue on your sniper. Again, the green, 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 red is the raw system. This is what you get for $575. Let me be specific. You don't even need the sniper, but I would never trade without it. With this system, you get the real directions bar 1, 2, 3, the bullshit detector. You get the blue line. You get the two-line Bach. You get the green color change indicator, and you get the candles color change indicator. And some of you don't even realize this happens. See how they're all green? How can you possibly have a sell when everything is green? Remember, I was teaching you the sea of green. So the only thing that's red is the bullshit detector. One of these things doesn't belong. Let's look. Let's go right inside of here. Right inside of here. Let's cover up everything else so you guys don't have to see anything else. Okay. We don't have to see the future either. Now, who here wants to sing along with me? Type out a 7 if you guys want to sing along with me. You know what song is coming. You know how happy the song is. The only thing we can do is ask Bree to do it live for us one time. Here we go. I'm playing the song, whether you guys want it or not. Here it comes. This is how easy it is to buy stop. This is it. Everyone should sing the song. You want to remember what a buy stop is or sell stop is? One of these things doesn't belong. Okay. If everything in here is green, right? Green, 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 little blue, but green, 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 right? The only thing that isn't green is this. This right here is the only thing that's not green. This right there. That is the only thing. What's up? It's expendable. We're about to sing. Here's our sing-along time. I haven't done it all morning. Here we go. Guess what it is?
One of these things is not like the other. One of these things just doesn't belong.
Can you
tell which thing
imagine?
is not like the other before I finish my song?
Oh.
Now look very carefully because one of these things just doesn't belong.
This doesn't belong. Can you imagine me singing this to President Donald Trump and Elon Musk? They'll think I fucking lost my mind. But I don't care. I will and would. This is exactly what it doesn't belong. This red saying it's going to go down isn't real. Everything else is green, including the candles. What's really going to happen, the Bach tells you it's green. All of it. So when you might think, oh, why does he do this stupid song? Why does he do this? Because this red going down is being pushed back up by real direction bars 1, 2, 3, and being pulled back up by our, let's get it right so you guys can see it here. One of these things, pulled back up by our Bach being green above it, being green, our candles are green, our green line, our EMH color change is green, our logo is green. So now we have at least one, let's be clear, 1, 2, 3 pushing up, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pulling up. 1 going down, 8 pushing and pulling up. I don't care if this was some kind of whoever, the strongest man in the world would get still his ass kicked. John Jones would still lose to 8 MMA skilled fighters, period, because it doesn't belong. The bullshit detector is telling you this is a lie. The real direction bars are telling the right directions it's going. The candles are telling us the right directions it's going. You can't have a down sell when everything else is a buy. It can't go down. It had to go up. Play the song again. All right.
Things is not like the other. One of these things just
Doesn't belong.
Can you tell which
This
thing
thing's
is
not like the other.
Before I finish my song.
This one.
Now look very carefully because
This one.
one of these things just doesn't belong.
That doesn't belong. Look, it's as simple as that. So when you see your setup like this on any time frame, you should do 2 time frames to do it. This is all you need. Look, that's it right there. Again, what is it? You cannot have these indicators, and you can guess all day long and try to use whatever you think you can use and be wrong. You'll be wrong 99% of the time. Don't believe me. Fuck off. I don't care. Then go ahead and argue with Dave Ramsey, who told you less than 1% of traders are actually profitable. And I believe it's less than 99.9% of traders are actually profitable. So there you go. So this doesn't work. All of these other indicators, you think that they don't work. What works? Your best chance at retirement is that right there. And all of the reasons are just because that one little thing doesn't belong. It's the wrong color. Everything else is green. Well, why do you have all that stuff? Why do you have this? Why do you? Because there's so many different ways you can look at it. And I've narrowed it down to just colors to make it so silly that 8-year-olds and 12-year-olds would think this song is silly. Okay?
One of these things is not like the other. One of these things just doesn't belong. Can you tell
The red.
which thing is
The
not
red
like
doesn't
the other
belong.
Before I finish my song. Now look very carefully because one of these things just doesn't belong here.
Okay? And that's why I do this. Somebody go, well, he's making fun of us. He's talking to us like children. Well, kind of. I'm only doing this because it can be taught to children. One of our members, one of our members, LD, is teaching his children and grandchildren how to use the symbols. How to use the system. They're 8 and 12. Teaching them the weekly, daily rules. That's the flow. And then if you try to go against it, it's just not a smart idea. You can trade cells. For instance, that's Bitcoin, by the way, and I already told you where it's going. For instance, we can go to NAS. We can go to NAS 5-minute, right? And there it is, touching down to the 5-minute, right? Okay, that's cool. That's cool. That's cool. Let's go over here and let's look at the 5-minute. Now let's go to the hourly. Let's go to the 2-hour. Let's go to the 3-hour. Okay, I don't see a 3-hour. I just see the fill in the gaps. Let me go to the 2-hour again. Yeah, there it is. 2-hour buy stop, NAS. I don't give 2 fucks what it went down to because what it's going down to is against the stream of what's actually happening on the higher time frames. The 5-minute sell on NAS is only creating a better 2-hour buy stop. 7s if you understand that. 9s if you don't. I'll repeat it. Good morning, Cristobal Armas. We got about 9 minutes to market open. Oh. The 5-minute sell stops are creating the 2-hour buy stops. Can I be any clearer? We know it does that because it has to do that. These 5-minute sell to the blue lines doesn't mean it's going to keep going down. It means it's creating the 2-hour buy stop. How do I know that? Gee, I don't know. Blue line low. Okay, so let's go over here. Let's go up to our higher time frames. Yeah, there you go. So now we have our higher time frame on the 4-hour. We're going to show you blue line high, pink line coming down low. Fill in the gap, buy stop. We have double green Bach. We have the green color change. Our candles are green. We have our logo and we have the orange staying above. There's no fucking way that NAS is going to go below this at this time. It will eventually switch and turn to red and go down. But for the 4-hour, I cannot call a sell on a 4-hour, 2-hour buy on NAS. I can play any 1 minute, 3 minute, 5-minute sells you want to do. Feel free. It's only creating the higher time frame buy. I can't. Right now, I've eliminated, because of what this is right here, any possibility of a long-term sell. Oh, it's going to go down 3,000. I don't care. I'm not calling it, can't call it, won't call it. It's not accurate. It's not true. The only true call that you can make is a 2-hour buy stop on NAS, because that's exactly what the fuck it is. 2-hour buy stop, NAS. Keep falling down and I'll keep making more money as it falls down deeper and deeper. Buy stop, NAS. Here, keep falling down. You guys play the fucking sells all you want. Buy stop NAS, 21,064. Buy stop NAS, 21,067. Buy stop NAS, 21,073. Let's see who's right in fucking 5 days from now. Your fucking 5-minute sell stops. Suck it. Let it keep going down. It just makes a better entry point for our fucking 2-hour buy. That's all it's doing. Yes, you can make money on the sells. No, it's not the right trade to make. Yes, you can make money on the sells. No, it's not the right trade to make. This is the right trade to make. NAS, 2-hour buy stop. Now, we're already in the US30, and the US30 is already up, and I called it off of a 1-second buy US30 that I named the show over. Where the hell's my show name? US30 1-second buy stop live. I named the show, and there it is. And there's your buy and you're in it. Do I care if it dips down? We're already up 80, 90, 100 pips. The fuck more do you want? So yes, we're going to go down to lower time frames. Yes, we're going to see what's going on. We'll just play the lower time frames. But this is the call. 2-hour buy stop. You're almost too late for US30. NAS, 2-hour buy stop. You have plenty of time. SPX, 2-hour buy stop. Yeah, let me call it out for you. Not a financial analyst.
Financial advisor, demo trade only.
Buy stop, SPX, 5,995, 5,996, 5,997. Buy stop, 2-hour, NAS, 2-hour, SPX. You're too late for the US30. You should have been in when I fucking named the show.
I am not a financial advisor, demo trade only.
I'm loving the cursing. Good morning, Brian Flores. Good morning, X Expendable. Yeah, I get a little worked up when sometimes I get going here. All right. Let's see. Let's go down to the micro level here so you guys can start making some faster money while we do this call out. Sell. SPX. Yeah, SPX. Sell to the 3-minute. SPX, play any 1 second through 5-minute sell stop towards the 5-minute blue line. NAS, ricochet back to the 5-minute blue line. US30, ain't happening. Now, this is how I would look at this. 3-minute buy stop, US30. And then I would go over to NAS and NAS and SPX. If you want to slum around down in the 1 minute, 3 minute, and 5 minute charts, feel free. I'm going to take buy stop 2 hour NAS, buy stop SPX. If it never goes up, so the fuck what? What I'm really going to hope for here is a nice big pull down. I don't think we're going to see it. 1 second buy stop, fill in the gap. You're about to see it go up. You're going to see this pink line cross, go up. And then, right, it's got a hook. It's going to come back down again. Do it again. Buy, stop again. Now, if we can get a big pullback on US30, 3 minutes to market open. Fuck. 1 second buy, stop. It's going to cross. Pink line's going to cross. Prices is going to come up. It's going to go past the orange, past the green. There you go. And there's your fucking buy stop. Now, can we get a bigger pull down? Well, I'm going to tell you what I need to see. US30. We need US30 to go down or we can't get another entrance on it. I don't know if we're going to see a pullback on it. I just see there's your buy. I told you. What am I supposed to do? NAS. I would just play a buy. We're going to look for a US30 pullback. We need to see US30 drop down. I need to see US30 come down like this. And then somewhere along there, I'm going to call a buy for you. If we don't see a pullback on US30, I don't know. NAS, buy stop. Just place one in. SPX, buy stop. I already told you the numbers. Market open coming up, and I got to go right after market open. I don't have any time. We need US30 to come down. I don't think it's gonna. Well, you can get into the SPX and NAS buys, feel free. But I can't get you back in the US30 unless this pulls back down some. Look at Michelle Glowinski, number 2 on TikTok. You go, Michelle. We actually have people on TikTok and YouTube. I don't have to yell at you. Now, a little bit more of a pullback here. Market open in a matter of 1 minute and 15 seconds. We have to have a pullback on US30 or just take buys on NAS. I'm not going to call any more sells on NAS. I don't care if it goes down to the 15-minute line. I don't give a fuck. 1 minute to market open. 1 minute to market open. That's so funny what my alarm says. My alarm says but the truth is I easily see when to enter and exit every Forex trade for the most profit possible. And then a few other things. That's funny. Okay, cancel. Let's get out of there. All right. Market open. US30 buy stop off of here, 44,059. Market open. US30 buy stop, 44,061. Market open. Now. Just wait. Okay, we're in a sell. Hold. You're in the money on the NAS buy. You're in the money on the SPX buy. US30 buy. US30 buy. Where I told you you're in the money on the US30 buy. You're in shit tons of money on the NAS buy. Oh, yeah. You can close down. And I told you the NAS. Told you the fucking NAS. Told you the fucking NAS. There you go. I'm in money on my US30. My GBPJPYs. Look at the NAS buy. Told you the NAS was a buy. Told you SPX was a buy. Go over to the 2 hours. It's not even blinking yet on SPX and NAS. Play any 1 second, 5 second, 10 second, 15 second, 30 second, 1 minute, 3 minute, 5 minute buy stop on NAS, on SPX, and on US30 as you can find it. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Gorgeous. You're going to make look at the money you're making. We didn't get much of a pullback. That's too bad, but it'll still go up. All right, guys, I'm up on NAS. US30 pulling down. No, it just flipped and went back up. All right, got to go. All right, TikTokers, got to go. God bless. Have a great day. I might be on later. We'll see. All right. God bless y'all. YouTuber is going to go. Yep. Nope. Look at the money you're in, by the way. Who said that? Kim, you know better than that. That's a beautiful US30 trade. Beautiful US30 trade. Perfect US30 trade. Perfection US30 trade. I really literally were telling you and Drew out I wanted to go down and then hook and come back up. Exactly what I wanted to do. NAS in huge money, SPX in huge money, and US30 did exactly what we wanted to do. Take your money out, lock it in, take your money out and run. All right, John, have a good day. You're welcome. Cajun Boy, have a good day. Lachey, Kim, have a great day. God bless you all. All right, talk to y'all later. Gotta go. That was fun. That was a nice morning.